What up, everyone? Today we're going to be going over some code that I'm writing for an application I'm trying to make. I'm going to pause this music quickly. Been gone for like a month now, maybe 3 weeks. I've been working on some courses, some big things coming, but now I'm kind of playing the waiting game on my mic is super low. Sorry. So now I'm kind of playing the waiting game on the other person to finish their part of the course. Anyways, so I wanted to work on something that would help me in my life, and this app is going to be it. I was listening to a book, and I had this, I think the word's epiphany, where I was like, damn, this would be a really good app, and I started planning it and doing everything, and then I Googled, I was like, wait a minute, this probably exists, and I Googled it, and it does exist. So I was super disappointed, kind of lost a bit of motivation. Download the app, I was like, whatever, I'll just use their app, it'll help me. And then I realized their app is trash. And then, I got back into that motivation state, and now I'm gonna try and do it on my own. I keep tapping the mic with my finger. I didn't even realize it. Anyway, so I'm gonna try and do this app on my own. Front end's pretty simple. I've already started it. I'll show it to you guys soon. But the back end is gonna be very complicated. It's gonna need to be very scalable. So for now, what I'm doing is just using a boilerplate that I partially have used before, but now I'm trying to use the whole thing. So I'm trying to keep everything in here, all the authentication, every piece of code, because I don't want to rewrite any of this stuff. This would take me a week at least. There's some pretty serious stuff in here, and stuff I haven't used necessarily. So I'm running into some bugs, and I'm going to figure them out. And hopefully on stream we can push it forward and see what we can do with it. I do have to take this stream and post it in Discord, so give me a minute. All right. That was a quick thumbnail. Yeah, I already had the picture taken, so I just changed the text. Made it look a little better, and we're good. We're live. All right, dude. I'm sitting here, been staring at this for like a long time, just trying to figure out what's not working, why. I have a pretty clear error here. I'm not sure how visible it is on the screen, but I'll read it out loud. Error config validation error. Child JWT, so JSON Web Token secret, fails because JWT secret is required. So it's saying the test is failing for JWT secret. Okay, that's fine. Now if we go into our config.js where the error is happening, and we go and check the requirements for our JWT secret, it says it has to be a string and it's required. And if we go to our env file, which we have 2 for some reason, and that's where I'm getting a bit lost here. We have 2 of them. Oh wait, they're down here. Whoops. So if we go to those env files, we could see, right now I just have a bunch of fake data just so people don't steal my shit. But I put a key for each one. Now before I tried to do like an actual hash in there, which is what I thought originally it was, but it's not. Yeah, I don't know. I'm thinking I'm gonna have to find someone who might have seen this error before. Couldn't find anything good on Stack Overflow. I'm gonna go to my DMs quickly and send this to Mr. Mousy and see if he has any idea. Yeah, what up, Tamor? What am I building here? I'm building like this productivity tool, and I'd like it to be a very big project. So I'm trying to build it super scalable. I'm talking tests. I'm talking deployment, like the whole DevOps thing. Everything, like all documentation. It even has code logging. So like if there's an error or you run the tests and whatever, it'll log it for you in a file. And you can open that file like it's an HTML file, and you open it up in your browser, and then it tells you all the issues and everything. I actually kind of really like JavaScript, dude. It's great when it works, and when you write it clean in a clean manner, but it can get very messy very quick, which is again something I'm trying to avoid. Hey Crystal, how's it going? Mousy is going to sleep, so I'm gonna have to figure this one out on my own. I'm just so confused why I'm getting this. Maybe here, I'm gonna walk you guys through it, okay? Yeah, the bracket hell when using promises is so bad. That's true. The title seems sad though. Giving code another try. Honestly, it was just after my last job, big burnout. Not because I hate code, because I hated doing it for a job. And now that I could do it on my own, it's like, it's more exciting. So I'm gonna give it another try. And this is gonna be a big project. I was just telling Tamar, I'd love it to be a big project. And I always say that on my YouTube channel, and then shit dies, and then it just sits on GitHub for a year. But this time I really want to commit to something. We'll see what happens. Alright, so let me walk you through this. I'll take you all the way to the first step when you go to run the app. Yarn start. And you click that, and it goes, and it sets up. It will literally go step by step. So gulp runs, serves, cleans, nodemon starts. Nodemon is to make sure that you don't have to restart the server every time you make a change. Goes through that, Babel goes through that, and then nodemon is ready to go, and then it crashes right here. So it crashes on a test, and I'm using Joy here to validate. So Joy is used for validation, so you don't have to write your own validation. Like, you don't have to say whatever equals string. You don't have to do like if statements, whatever. You just use promises, and it validates. It's super easy. It's like what you use in backend most of the time. I'll continue debugging my stuff while you code. Your good motivation. Thank you. You motivate me to motivate you to motivate me to motivate you. You know? You know what I'm saying? Alright, so I'm so confusing here. Using promises for tests instead of assert statements is smart. Never thought of it. I know, right? I just figured this out, even though it seems super like stupid simple. So in this case, you set up a schema. It's literally like, this is like OOP kind of stuff. So you set a schema up, and the schema is my env file. And so you got your port API version, which is just going to be a number. The default is 1. Then you got your JSON Web Token secret, your database name, your database, like the test version name, the port of the database, the host of the database, the username of the database, the database username, the password so you can log in and make all your changes. Then it has SSL stuff, which I never actually done this before. I'm assuming it's not that hard. Literally got everything. Like, this code is amazing. But for some reason, this one line here, 16, fails. Is the source public? If so, can I get a link? It is. Here's the link. But I can't recommend it yet because I have to figure out if this error is me or that. So let me go back a step. So we got a line here that says JSON Web Token secret is a string and it's required, right? And then when you go into, wait a minute. It's going to be a string in the env file, 100%. It already is here. But what if it doesn't need to be set in the env file and it needs to be set up in the config file right here? What is this? Never mind. No, never mind. It's not true. Whom isn't the tech in Washington, USA? I have no clue. I just searched up boilerplate for Node.js and Postgres, and this is what I got. And it's pretty good stuff. Link for your GitHub. Oh no, my code isn't going to be on GitHub. keeps deleting my question because it has a dot in it. I meant to ask if your project that you're going to work on is going to be open source. Oh, I don't think so. I'd like to monetize it. Can I follow you on GitHub? Yeah, you could. I don't really post anything on there, to be honest with you. All the code on there is like over a year old. Probably even 2 years. But sure, if you really want to. Here. Wait, what were you trying to post, Wizzy? Yeah, if you have a dot in it, you have to like space it out or something. Just wanted to know what the .js .map file was. Where is that? The one right here? Config.js versus config.js.map. To be honest, I don't even know just by the name. Usually map is information about a specific file. Yeah, so yeah. What's the names? I'm doing the Lighthouse Labs 21 day of coding challenge. It's pretty good. It is good, but it was hard for me when I did it originally. One month to do self-taught. Until what? I'm also in a React Native course, but I'm really excited to go through your Node.js thing from Conrail. Oh yeah, you downloaded that? If I could go back, I'd probably make some changes to that course, but the information there, even if the code isn't perfect, the information there is pretty good. I spent a long time on that. Front-end dev React is my goal. It's a good goal. Same here, man. Once this semester is over, I'm going to find a job. Recommend the scrimba.com React course for you. Honestly, try a bunch of different courses and see what's good for you. I'm watching the stream. It's going to bug me. Wait, Mousy, you're in here? I know it's going to bug you. It's been bugging me all day, dude. It's such a dumb error. Like, I know stealth help in Discord, but you can leave the... And you can have the... Ooh, I got it moment. No, look, I've worked with this stuff before, but for some reason, I'm not able to... It's not clicking. It's not clicking. Like, I'm not the best programmer in the world, but this is... I've done this before. I've done this for fucking living at one point. But it's just not clicking. I feel like I'm missing something small. It says JSON Web Token secret is a string and it's required. Right? And I gave it a string. And the test is still saying I'm failing. Now I just put the word Nova here. It's a string. But it's not working. And I'm sure once that passes, everything else is going to break. I'm just not sure why. Oh my god, wait. It's commented out. Am I dumb? Everything's commented out. Am I just crazy? Am I just going insane because I forgot that? I swear. Oh my god, it worked. Remove the. That's what I meant. Yep. Oh, dude, I can't believe I just did that. Oh, this is the. I should be selling. I should be selling tickets to this live stream. That's pure entertainment. Forgetting the comment. Oh my god, I was so focused on the line without even realizing there was a comment. That's just beautiful. Thanks, Mousy. Go to sleep. Yeah, fucking kunt. Alright, now we gotta go make the database. I started to use pgadmin because I had a bunch of issues with the CLI, and honestly, it's not that bad. It does glitch though, but it's not that bad. Why does your VS Code say reconnect to Discord? Oh, so if I connect it to Discord, you could see what file I'm working on. Yeah. Second pair of eyes is always helpful. Don't beat yourself up. It's a programmer's tunnel vision. Oh yeah. I'm smacking myself for that one. How are you guys doing tonight? I was so focused on that, but now we're good. Wow, that's cool. It's like a Spotify integration. Oh yeah, it's exactly like a Spotify integration. I have iTunes and I really wanted like a Spotify integration, so I kind of like mishmashed one together. And it's so funny, like pretty much you're tricking Discord into thinking that iTunes is like an yeah, you're pretty much installing something that goes in Discord and changes when it says like playing a game and like it says the game info, like you're in a lobby of a game or whatever, it's doing that but for iTunes, which is pretty funny that it works with because Discord's like buggy as fuck. Going off to bed later, nerd. Doing well, man. Should do a lot of notes tonight. Notes for what? Like oh yeah, you got semester, right? Semester is about to end, exam time. I also bought a mocha pot from the Bay today. It's amazing. I'm gonna search this up. What's a mocha pot? It sounds like fun. Oh damn, you got one of those. For those who want to know what a mocha pot is, that's a mocha pot. Oh wait, so you put this on under the fire, right? On like your oven? Not oven, on your stove or whatever. And you're wearing hard as fuck, Tal. Or tea. Just don't drink too much coffee. It will fuck you up. Doesn't have to be under the fire. I have a normal stove and it works great. What do you mean? Just like one of those like electric heating pad ones? Alright, so we gotta go and make 2 databases right now. Oh my god, we can make them straight through pgadmin. That's great. Game of life dev. Postgres. Game of life. So we got game of life dev, and then we got another one here. Game of life testing. So this is where we're gonna run tests on and blah blah blah. Yeah, we don't really need to do description. Alright, so we got those 2 databases. Let's restart and see if it connects. This code is so freaking good, Mousy. You're probably sleeping right now, but how far did you get last night after we talked? I'll show you actually. Once this is done. Let's see, is it done? Hell yeah, dude, it's actually running. It's actually freaking running. Okay, quickly before I show you guys what I did on the front end. I was just doing like concept art on the front end, but check how freaking cool this is. It's got GitHub documentation already like built into it. Everything configuration wise, so sequelize, express, all the details in there. You got your deploy folder, which has all your information for deploying. So if people want to collaborate with you, if you do happen to make it open source, everything's in there. I added all the information and everything. Look, you got your API information, your log, like freaking everything built into it. Then you got your main server, and in this case, they're doing the kind of like they're doing like a controller model kind of setup, but there's no view, so it's not MVC, it's more like MC, model controller. It's pretty much just a normal API, but split up into model controller, so you don't have all that code in one endpoint. It ends up looking really clean when you have a shit ton of them. You got all your helper functions in here. In this case, it's just an object for errors. So where is it? Wait, is that not it? Anyways, never mind. You got your routes here. So this is like your endpoint. So here, if someone's trying to log in, you send that to express validation. And then you run the login function and check their authentication. Here you have an endpoint to get a random number. So JSON Web Token. I mean, this shit's... I can go all day. You got your tests built in, which is tests suck for those of you who've written tests that are human beings. Some people like tests. I don't. So that's great. Yeah, so you got all that. There's this program called Istanbul, which is like a logging app. I haven't looked too much into it, but it's got that already. It's got Docker ready, which is really cool that you could have Docker, so you could set up. You got Docker and you got something I haven't used before. Travis, what's it called? Where is it? I guess it doesn't have it. Maybe I'm dreaming. Travis, I think that's what it's called, for like continuous integration. Yeah, it's got everything. It's freaking awesome. We've got a Terraform file, which I've never used Terraform, but that's Terraform. In this case, I think is to use AWS, which is why it's written all over the place. So you could throw this onto an AWS server. Yeah, this shit's nutty. Alright, let me show you what I did on the front end, Wizzy. CD web. So I'm going to have a web app, maybe a mobile app, and a server. So maybe even a desktop app in the future. I don't know. I don't really care for that right now. So the front end honestly is like really, really simple. I was just playing with different like color schemes and looks and stuff. This is what I currently have. I was like, how do I want to brand this? I want to make it fun looking, but I don't want to make it feel too much like a game. I don't want to make it feel too much like a productivity tool. I want to find that middle ground. And then I want to make it so people younger and older both are intrigued to play it. It's pretty much going to be a tool that makes normal, boring life things interesting. So like if you hate doing laundry, the goal of this would be to make laundry fun. You know? It would make you, let's say, if you did laundry, you would get some reward or something like that. It's more complicated than that. I don't really want to go too far into it right now, but so just playing around with like colors and stuff. I kind of went with like a Nintendo theme here. So like gray, dark gray, and then the colors here. with a cool font, gamify your life. So you would click play, and then you could play the game. Well, you click play, and then like the whole tool comes up here. So like you have like a calendar and all these different pieces and things you can use. You got an about page, which will be a description of the game more in detail, and maybe I'll talk a bit about like, here's the Discord where I'm developing it. So if you have any ideas, pop in the Discord, and I'm building this on YouTube. So here's a, you know, kind of like a self-promotion bar. And on the homepage, I'm going to explain it in detail. I'm going to be like, I'm going to try and make it relatable. I'm going to try and make it relatable without sounding like a scam. So like, you know, do you procrastinate? Because I can fix that. Or this app could fix that for you. Taking boring things and making them interesting. And then maybe if I have the time, I'll make an actual commercial for it, which could be funny. What font is that? I'll check. I totally forgot. I had to download it off the internet. Here, let me open the code and I'll tell you. Close the server, open the web. Font is press to start. Press to start font. Yeah, press to start 2P. I'll post a link if you want in Discord. On YouTube. Okay. So we got to figure out a couple things we have to do. I'm thinking prioritizing like the login. So like making it so when you go into the login page and you put in your information, sends it to the database and you log in. So for login to work, you have to make sign up. So sign up and login should be priority right now. Just to figure out this database setup, then we can write some tests for login if they're not already written. We could do the whole structure in it, like make a really simple task, but go through all the complicated code with it, if that makes sense. Things we'll play around on project, maybe a to-do app. Do it, dude. Try and make a to-do app that hasn't been done before, because to-do apps are super like generic. Oh man, it's a beautiful font. Yeah, you like it? It really. I searched up what is a Nintendo font, and then that was like the closest thing. Hey MJ, how's it going? Haven't seen you in a long time since we played some Apex. Those were the days. Some fonts I really like from Google. Diocese, Montserrat, Method Pro. I don't know them by name, dude. I just know if they look cool, I want to use it. I like fonts where there's detail that's different in each letter. Like some fonts look like they're paintbrush, and each like brush looks different in each letter. I find those really cool. And it's going busy like hell and no time for games. Yeah, me too, dude. Even though I have played some Rainbow Siege 6, Rainbow Six Siege, whatever it's called. It's a fun ass game. Lots of strategy, which is why it's so much fun. It's like the next best thing. It's like the best. It's like the what CS:GO could be if they made it like rehauled it, but they're not, obviously. CS:GO feels really 2D, and then Rainbow Siege feels very like 3D, because you can like when you can like zip line on walls, right? And you could peek windows while you're on the zip line. But let's say like you know that someone is aiming their aimer at the bottom part of the window, waiting for you to peek your head up. You can go around the window, turn your... Oh, my camera's blurry. I think the battery died. Sorry. So you can go up to like the window. Let me show you. I have to draw this out. It's so freaking cool. I love doing this. So let's say you got a building, right? And there's a window right here. And windows have barricades. Right, so this is like filled in. You can't see through it. And you can hit it with your gun and break a hole inside. And then, you know, if there's someone there and you're ziplining here and you're hanging on the window, you know, you put your feet on the wall and you got your gun looking through the window, you could shoot them through the hole. But it's very predictable to come through this bottom hole. So what you do, let me go back, is you move your body up here using the zip line. So you go walk this way, and then at the top of the roof here, you could flip your body. So now your feet are like this, and you're like this with the gun in your hand. And now you go down, break a hole here, and now you got a different line of sight into the room from the top. The tricky part is you're upside down, so it's super like triggering. Oh my god, Devin's here? That's like the first time ever. Oh my god, I'm so nervous. How did I get here? I don't have a good monitor to play R6. I only have a 60Hz monitor. Same for me. Where am I? Who's talking? Looks like I peed on the rug. You too? COD Modern Warfare is so close to being a good game. It's frustrating. It's laser tag. All you need is like half a bullet to kill someone. Pocket. Devin, pocket. Devin. The camera's dead again. Okay, I think it's unplugged. Let me check. Crystal, don't worry about it. We figured out the issue, Crystal. I don't know if you missed it. Figured it out. And you won't believe it. I forgot. I commented something out. That's it. I literally commented something out, and I was so focused on fixing the issue that I didn't pay attention to the fact that something was commented. Let it go. No, you let it go. Is my camera still fucking... I like the new COD. It's good. It's laser tag. It's so easy to kill people, and it's so easy to, like, there's no, it's not about having good aim. It's about seeing the person first. I don't like all the files. I know there's a lot of files, dude. All right, Pocket. Let me show you the life-changing app. Okay. It's called The Game of Life. It looks like a Nintendo game, but it's not. Okay? We're going to play the game right now on stream. First time I've ever played it. Ready, Pocket? Let's go to the play page. Play page here. This is a game called Life already. This is the game of life. It's going to make life better by turning life into a game. Let's go. Yeah, pretty much I'm gonna take life that sucks and is boring and make it a game so that you want to grind it like you would in WoW or like any other. Trust me, if this works, it's gonna be great. Okay, play. That's it. There is no game. I haven't started it. I just did the concept art. Sims 2D knockoff. I was watching the movie Ready Player One, and I was like, someone has to make this into a VR game. How much do I get for drinking beer? See, that's the thing about this game. You can take things that you like to do or need to do and turn them into a task. So like if you need to do laundry, you can turn laundry into a task that gets you points and rewards. If you want it to be beer, then you could do that. And then as long as you're honest with yourself when you're playing the game, you know, you'll win at one point. So need to beer, exactly. So what you would do is like drink a beer, 5 points, and then it would be a button, and then you could decide for how long that button stays there, and as long as the button is there, you could click it. You should check Bonework VR. I know, dude. I was talking about Boneworks nonstop all week. It's crazy. Have you seen the videos that they've done with Node? If not, I'm gonna link you mind blowing videos. Like they were playing Boneworks on the Vive Index controllers, so all your fingers are registered specific differently. It's coming out December 10th for real. I have to buy a VR set then, VR headset. Let's see how much the Index one costs. Maybe I'll stream VR. That'd be crazy. The Valve Index price. I've seen the vids. Yeah, there's looks like so much fun, dude. Index is like 1K. Honestly though, I'd buy it. Not even gonna lie. Right now, I'm not gonna spend $1,000 USD, but when I can, I can. I just don't want to. But when I want to, I would do it. I'd buy you. No, Devin. I would get 2 Devin. Then I would build another computer, and I would have you come here, and then we could just play this game all day. Like, check the... Okay, just... Node Boneworks. Pocket, you would love this shit. It's so freaking cool. Oh my lord. The next step in VR, I think that they need to do is make a bodysuit. Oh, you seen it? Oh, okay. They need to make a bodysuit where it registers like pain and like different feelings. So like if you get punched in the chest by an enemy, like it gives you one of those like electroshocks that makes like the muscle spaz. So like you get like zapped in the chest and you're like, oh shit, I just got punched. You ever been shot? No, but I can't do the. Can't go that realistic, but at least you can make some pain in that area. So let's say like you get punched in the stomach. Then you would get a little zap in the stomach and it would stimulate the muscle and make you feel like you got punched in the stomach. What do you mean no? That'd be so much fun. This is a bad idea. Hell no. This would be so much fun. There are body VR, but it's very heavy vibrating instead of the shock. No, I'd rather the shock, dude. I have one of those e-collars. Isn't vibrating enough? Nah, dude, because vibrating isn't real. But using electricity to stimulate the muscle is way more realistic. Because then it feels like something's touching you, but it's not. It's your muscle flexing. But you're not telling your muscle to flex, so your body doesn't know that. Like, you ever see those videos of like the like Instagram models that put like a pad on their stomach, and it gives them abs? It's because this pad that sits on their stomach literally sits on every ab muscle and zaps it every couple seconds, making it flex full force. So it's like they're doing sit-ups without doing anything. They're just sitting there and like talking, but their body is like getting work the fuck out. I say screw VR and go straight to the concept of a gamer. What do you mean? Check the vid I sent. Will you send it in Discord? If you put a link, it gets deleted by Discord for some reason. By YouTube chat. Just put it in Discord. You never seen the movie? No. I was thinking about, do you see Ready Player One, Pocket? What do you mean you can't? You can't send a message in Discord, MJ? Check out gamer concept of gamer. I'm confused what I should be looking for, Pocket. Can you link it to me? I felt a headshot in VR with this haptic feedback kit. Oh, I think I've seen this. But this is the vibrating one, which I don't like. Gamer the movie. Can you link it to me, Pocket? Yeah, so his body is just getting vibrated. It's not real. It's just it's still very imagination. It's like, so when something hits him, he can feel it in his body.
Finally, I got to try out Contractors, which is one of my favorite.
I don't want to play the volume and get demonetized or whatever. No, Gamer the movie. Mike, the movie. Yeah, there's a movie called Gamer. I've heard of this movie. I've never seen it. Oh yeah, that's what you sent me. Okay. My man crush Wednesday draw Belter is in it. Man crush Wednesday. Why not like man crush Monday? Why Wednesday? Man crush Wednesday. Now, dude, check out Ready Player One. That's what our world needs to become. If you haven't seen it and you're watching the stream, let me summarize it quickly. The world has become shitty to the point where everyone wants to play a game that's a simulation of real life but better. So instead of living in the real world, you live in the virtual world where you could drive a car and shoot people. It's like GTA pretty much, but a bit more grindy. GTA is kind of like you just play it with your friends and like shoot people, get the cops to chase you, blah blah blah. This is more grindy. You want to grind coins, you want to get power-ups, whatever. And then the owner of the game dies and says whoever wins, whoever finds the Easter egg gets to take over the game. And this is a game that's like half $500 billion worth or something. I don't remember. Anyways, so that's what the movie's about, and it's really cool. I'm surprised how they got the license to use video game characters, since there are a lot of them. Aren't they all their video game characters? I don't think they used any characters. Did they use any characters from games that like we know? Or are they all made within the movie? All the keys? Yeah, sorry. You have to get all the keys which lead to the Easter egg. It's such a good movie. I watch it like once a month and just hope that one day someone's gonna make this. Overwatch, Halo, really? They did use like Thriller. Yeah, it's true. Dude, honestly, I wouldn't be surprised if this movie took half a billion dollars to make in like 5 years. Only $175 million. That's not that bad. That's not that bad. The problem is, as they're saying here, they need to make at least $440 million to break even, which is the problem. Oh, wait. Production budget was $175 million. Marketing budget was $150 million. That makes sense. That's like starting to get it. Look at Wreck-It Ralph. I know what Wreck-It Ralph is. All I need is a good Acopolis game. You guys are on a whole new level. Nah, dude. This will be it. This is it. You make this game and the world ends. No one cares about getting a job. No one cares about doing good things for the world. All they want to do is get in this game and fucking do crazy shit, because that's how much fun it would be. I wish they made more movies like this. So good. Alright, let's see. Most of the movie is CGI. For those of you who don't know what CGI is, it's computer generated imaging. I think that's what it stands for. Pretty much making faces and people and whatever that don't physically exist. Like, everything is designed like a game, right? So they build like the world and they build the characters and everything, and then they have a camera and they fake as if someone's carrying the camera when really it's just a camera within this video game. It's pretty much you design a video game, animate the characters, move a fake camera around, press record, and it does that. It's pretty insane. I say we play Pummel Party. How about this? It's 8:16 right now. Go get a couple people gathered up, and in like 30 minutes we'll play. You stopped coding? No. We're gonna get back into it right now. Do you mean in general because of the title of the video? Every video game in Ready Player One. Oh, it's true, dude. That's so true, MJ. There's so many games in Ready Player One that like they don't own the rights to, that they had to probably get for this movie. Yeah, the title. Oh no, it was kind of like I'm about to add everyone in Discord, so be careful. Okay, I'm gonna open it up on stream, just to catch the meme. No, so I worked a job about 10 months ago for a while, almost a year, I think. No. Anyways, I worked a job as a programmer. I worked really hard to get there. I was like programming 12 hours a day. I was not burning out. I was going strong. Got this job. Was probably coding like 5 hours a day, and I burnt out so fast to the point where I quit. I was like, I don't like this. I'm not enjoying it, and I don't need the money necessarily. Or as nice as the money was, it wasn't worth my health because I was just hating it. So I quit. And now I'm like, I want to get back into code, but not do it for a company, do it for myself, because that's when I enjoyed it the most. So I have to like, yeah. He's procrastinating right now, of course. How old are you? I'm 20. Update your Discord, What do you mean update your Discord? At everyone, we're playing Pummel Party on Mike's stream. Oh god. If this message offended you, send me. Pocket's about to get me 350 viewers in this stream. Oh, they're just ignoring his message and talking as if it's something else. Click the green button on the top right on Discord. Oh, I didn't know you could do that. Thank you, MJ. Alright. Let's get this login working before we play Pummel Party with Pocket. Okay? Oh my god, he posted in daily. Pocket, why do you do that? No, the response I was looking for. Wait, Pocket. Can you send me the picture so I can make it my background? The picture of you wearing the grind reel shirt. I haven't been on Discord in like a month. Yeah, dude, it feels good, doesn't it? Shameless promo. Pocket, give me the picture of you drinking a beer, wearing that shirt, so I can put on my background and promo the sweatshirt. Alright, let's close this shit. I don't want to ever have to stare at it again. Get it out of my face. Here we go. Alright, so we need to go back into the server and make this work.
Here is how Dick, a soon-to-be college grad and a Grammarly user, connects with Tyler, the key to her dream job.
Making a pizza for now, chat. What kind of pizza, though? We need the details, please. Pocket. Pocket, you ready? Check that out. My alt accounts are banned, but I got bored of trolling, just left the chat room. Honestly, Hectic, I said this to the mods. Your first ban, I think, was out of line. But then when you made alt accounts and started to troll, you just dug the hole for yourself. I don't think you should have got banned the first time, to be honest. I think the mods took it out of control, but you dug your own grave there. Sadly. My room needs to be cleaned, does it? Damn, dude, you still have the fucking porcupine cage? Are you gonna get another one? Oatmeal ratted you out? What? Who did Oatmeal rat out? Hey Mike, have you ever used Linux as your main machine? I've tried it. Well, I used Mac OS, which I'm gonna say it's like Linux because it is. But no, I haven't used much Linux. I've used Kali Linux for a while because I was trying to be like a hacker, but fuck that. Desk Doggo was the only Desk Doggo I want. Desk Doggo 2.0? Yeah, I understand it, but I left a month ago. I didn't mean anything as I said. I know, but if you want, you're in my server, right? Send me a message and I'll see what I could do, Hectic. We'll figure something out. Just send me a message in Discord, whatever, just like a random word, just so I can get your name in Discord. Use YSL. What's YSL? I use Linux on the side. What do you use on your main computer, Crystal? Windows or Mac? I feel like Mac because you probably get a Mac laptop for work or something. Honestly, not a lot of programmers like use Windows. I was using Windows on my last job because we were doing a lot of .NET, which is Windows, which is a Microsoft thing. So, C#. I switched from Ubuntu, Windows laptops, Windows 10 on my desktop. I use Windows because you could play games on Windows and it works for code. So who cares? Like, I don't know. People get way too anal about it. Linux is the best thing you should use, and then they argue about distros for 20 hours. Like I don't care. I just want to play Pummel Party with my boys, you know. Pocket, do you think we should buy Gang Beasts? Windows is pointless for you. Windows for pointless YouTube videos and Windows for gaming. Yeah, pretty much. I use Kali for my CyberSec classes. Really? Dude, I was like the weirdest kid. I just started learning to code. This was 2 years ago, and I went to see my family, and I didn't have their internet password, and they're all at work, and I didn't want to call them and bother them. So I was like, let's see if I could break into their internet. And I'm sitting there on my laptop with a network card on it, you know, one of those big antennas sticking out of my laptop, like at least like a foot. Hackerman's typing on my laptop there for like 2 hours, and then I got pretty close to cracking it, but I didn't end up doing it. It was way too long of a password. It was like a shitty ass laptop too. Story time. I'm procrastinating. I'm sorry. It's not a big deal if I'm not accepted back in chat. My tag is Keith. All right. I'll see what I could do. But if you can, message me in Discord so I at least can have a place to talk to you other than streams. We'll see if we can figure something out. I'm not against unbanning people. I'm just the trolling was a little too bad. To be frank, hectic. The mods have been getting out of hand. Pocket, I told you this earlier. As much as I love Mousy, Dave, and the other mods, I think there's a line that's being crossed. I think it's becoming. I think people are getting banned and kicked and muted because mods are a bit emotional. Like, I was saying this to Mousy earlier. Someone said, "Okay, boomer." You know the meme that's really big right now, "Okay, boomer," and he gave him a warning, and I was like, "Why? It's just a meme. There's no way he was saying it in a mean way." I'm like, "Oh, you're an old man." Okay, boomer. Oh no, you know what, MJ? I'm banning you right now on stream. Put user in timeout. Like, muting all of you. Okay, you're all kicked off my stream. I'm gonna stream for nobody. Do it. Can I get an okay boomer in chat? Frig off, Pocket. Yeah, we shouldn't. Wait, Pocket, do you want to play Pummel Party or Gang Beasts? Gang Beasts looks like so much fun, but I think it's expensive. Can I get in VC? Sure. Can you go to VC in my Discord, Pocket? Just because I don't want grindy people jumping in. Okay, boomer with cursive font. Damn it. No, seriously, get YSL for Windows. What is that? Devin Pace, are you Dave or Pocket? It's Pocket. It lets you run Linux inside Windows. No virtualization at all. That sounds fucking cool. But why? Why not just use Windows? You don't have perms? Oh, I see. Hello. Hello.
Hi.
Ho, ho, ho. Alright, Pocket.
What's up?
Gang Beasts or Pummel Party?
What is Game Beast?
Are you serious?
I don't know if I have it.
You probably don't, but it's a fun fucking game. It's like you could play up to 4 characters, and they're like these Jello-like characters on maps, and you just like punch each other, knock each other out, and trying to throw each other off the map.
Is it on Steam?
Yeah, it's $21. Well, Canadian, so like 15 American.
What's it called?
Gang Beasts.
Gang Beast. Oh, Gang.
What's your tag so I can send an invite? I'll send you a link to the Discord. Hectic.
Oh, that's kind of like fun.
It looks like a really good time.
Okay, I'll get it. I'm down.
You're down? Okay, let's see if we can get a couple more people.
Well, you're probably not going to.
Okay, so maybe just try and find people from Pummel Party for now, and then once you do, we could close.
Dude, I added everybody, and the only thing I got was like 3 people who said no.
Damn it. Maybe message Ace. Let's see. Yo, how many people are in your Pummel lobby. And I wanna play some.
Right back.
All right. Keith has joined. Okay, I see you now, Hectic. Windows subsystem for Linux. I could see it being good if there's something that you want to run that is only on Linux, but other than that, why not just use Windows at that point? Like, Windows isn't that bad. They all have their issues. Windows isn't that bad. Windows would be bad.
Oh,
Couldn't find it the solution online, then you would be kind of fucked. But the fact that you can, it's pretty easy. You want mate?
I don't like how there's a significant.
You're cutting out a lot. I don't know why.
What the heck? Oh, am I downloading something? Well, I'm not downloading anything.
Interesting. Now it sounds fine.
Oh, all right.
All right, we'll see if Ace wants to. See if Ace wants to play.
Where? There's that Russian, Brazilian, American dude.
Oh, Russo.
His name's. Yeah, Russo.
He was cool, but he was a bit loud on the mic.
Russo.
Maybe Josh would play. You want to ask him?
Yeah. Yeah, I'll ask.
Who else was playing last time?
Craig.
I'm Arab and Russian, dude. Oof. Cockzilla. I can speak some Russian. By some, I mean like 2 sentences.
Vodka. About all I got.
I used to be able to say, I'm not gonna even Google it. Fuck that. Just watched the Boneworks. Dude, I've been talking about Boneworks for the past week. That game looks like so much fun.
I sound really weird on the internet.
We all do, dude. Alright. Let's figure this shit out. I'm pumped, Pocket. I'm pumped.
What?
I don't know.
What?
I don't know.
Mm.
It's cold, so I don't know.
How cold is it in Canada?
It was like 2 Fahrenheit today.
Oh, good. All right.
Yeah, the thing is, it came out of nowhere. It was like, let's say like 40 Fahrenheit, and then it just jumped into 2 overnight. Like sunny day, beautiful, you go with like a nice sweatshirt, and then the next day it was like a foot of snow. You guys got snow? Oh yeah, big time. Let me show you.
I want to be on your stream. How do I get my camera on your stream?
Alright, I'm gonna show pictures on stream right now, because fuck it. Alright. Doggo pics. You watching the pics, Pocket?
Show.
Alright.
The doggo!
Look at I like made a little thing for her outside so I could tie her up and let her play outside, because it's way too cold for me, but she loved it. And that bitch dug like a 2-foot hole in the ground. I got so mad at her.
Why?
Because it's not my backyard, it's my parents' house, so.
It's just a hole. It's gonna get covered up.
I know, but it was like, yeah. I was like, come on, man. Like, I told you not to dig. I was like talking to her like she was a human. She's like, what? What do you want? All right, so that's one pic. It's her just enjoying it. Look at that pic. Will it melt though? The snow? Maybe. And then it's just gonna snow again and repeat. Paco, you see that pic?
Oh yeah.
Did I see Paco? Pocket. Oops. Oh, look at that one. This was great.
Dude, I bought my wife a. It's like a.
The Furbo?
genealogy test.
Oh,
No.
sorry.
It's a genealogy test, but for a dog.
Oh, like the DNA test?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It like tells you everything about the dog, like what.
Is it
kind of-
is it like genuine, like not bullshit?
It better be. It's $100.
Because like, what if they just see Devin Pace and like, all right, let's go to his Facebook, and they see you have a pit bull and maybe something else, so they just tell you a couple breed names, and they're like, all right, here we go, next. Like, can they really tell from your dog's spit what part of the world they're from?
I don't know about what part of the world, but I would say what like the genealogy of their breeds that have came like what two dogs bred, and then like before them two dogs, what two dogs bred the one dog, and what two dogs bred the other dog.
Yeah.
And it goes to like I think like six columns. So that's a
Damn.
lot of dogs.
Yeah, that is. There's more pictures in the snow, just enjoying herself. That was her first time ever in the snow, and she goes face first into the snow. What a great time. All right, let's figure this shit out. Server, what's dist?
Son of a bitch.
Oh, okay. It's currently the coldest November in Toronto in history. Same here, dude. Same here. Our temp in Chicago is negative 20 at night. That's terrible. It was only 50 degrees for me. I went outside with t-shirt and shorts. Where do you live, Hectic? You jumped in Texas too. 70 and one day 20. It gets that cold in Texas. 20. Do you guys get snow in Texas? Or is it just like frost on the windows? How does that work?
I'm such a reckless person, man. Like I have this Razer like Black Widow keyboard and everything, and I've spilt so much beer on it that half my fucking number keys don't work.
Damn, you need a new keyboard?
Am I allowed to cuss on stream? I don't know if that's...
Honestly, I shouldn't, but I have been because it's YouTube.
Oh, sorry.
No, you're good. I mean, like, I forget. On Twitch, it's kind of like, as long as you're not racist on Twitch, you're fine. But on YouTube,
Yeah, I mean, Asmongold says fuck all the time.
but he's Asmongold, you know.
He's the face of Twitch now, boy.
He's so funny, dude. I was watching his stuff. He was getting mad at like he was playing WoW and he was getting mad at like people who just joined the game. And like I had zero clue what he was saying. I had zero clue what he was saying, but the way he was saying it was so funny.
Yeah. He's a... I don't think... Well, I think he's had a job before, but I don't think he's gone past minimum wage. But hey, I mean...
Wait, who? Who are you saying?
$2 now. Asmongold.
Oh, yeah.
Let's see. Asmon...
Do you guys know in chat who Asmongold is? He's a Twitch streamer and...
His net worth is $2 million.
Damn. Did you watch... Any of you guys watch the Logan Paul versus KSI fight that happened this weekend? Pocket, you watch it?
No, I don't.
Dude, look, I know it's YouTubers that were fighting, but it was really interesting. Like, I find it interesting seeing people who don't know necessarily how to fight going into a fight, and I feel like Logan Paul just didn't know what he was doing. Like, he can punch. How do I explain this? They planned for it to be 6 rounds of boxing, right? I think these are 2-minute rounds, maybe 3-minute rounds, right? And it was KSI went hard from the first second. He's like swinging full force. He knows he's going to tire out, but it's only 6 rounds. So by the time he tires out, the match is going to be over, right? Logan Paul played the smart way, but the problem is he played smart for 12 rounds. But there isn't 12 rounds. There's only 6. So he was playing the slow game. He was trying to let KSI hit him as hard as he can and just protect himself. And once KSI is tired, he was going to go in and finish him off. The problem is, when KSI got tired and when Logan actually started to go in, there was 30 seconds left in the whole match. And KSI won because he destroyed him in every single round because he was holding back to tire him out. You see what I'm saying?
Yeah, I bet. I mean,
It's just like, it doesn't make sense. Like, he knew ahead of time there was only 6 rounds. Why did he not throw punches until the 4th round? Seems a bit stupid. I think.
I don't know. I have no idea. I don't know anything.
Oh, it's okay. Aubrey,
I don't know anything about it, to be honest.
it's just boxing. Just think it like logically. Not even like I don't know much about.
Logically, boxing. I mean, I mean, to be fair, logically in boxing, there's 12 rounds. So I mean, that would be more if they were only doing 6.
Wait, can you say that again?
There's 12 rounds in boxing.
Most of the time, yes, but they and all their undercards were 12 rounds, but they were doing 6.
Right. So it would make it. So he should have started punching in the 2nd round.
Yeah, exactly.
Logic, I mean,
But he only waited till like the end of the 4th. So he gave himself 2 rounds to knock the guy out, and if he didn't knock him out, he'd automatically lose because that means if he won the 5th round and the 6th round, that leaves 4 other rounds for the other guy who won. Right?
yeah. I mean, especially if he didn't throw a single punch at all.
I mean, he did, but nothing serious until the 4th round where he like knocked him on the floor. But then Logan, being the dummy he is, when he knocked KSI on the floor and KSI was like ready to go out, instead of letting him get up while he's dizzy and going back at it, he gave him 2 taps on the head while he was down in the back of the head.
Well, yeah.
And that got him to that should have got him disqualified. But it didn't. It got him -2 points on that round, making him lose that round as well. You see what I'm saying?
Yeah. I mean, they judge based off of punches thrown and punches connected.
Yeah, but he punched KSI when he was down. He was on one knee looking at the ground.
No, I'm not saying about that. Yeah, that's fucked up. You shouldn't do that.
Yeah, and he was complaining like
Boxing.
he's like I shouldn't have lost 2 points without a warning. Like, dude, you punched someone in the back of the head, you should be disqualified.
Yeah.
Anyways, dude, it was interesting. I found it more interesting than most professional fights because it was like you didn't know what to expect.
There was a point in my life where I was really into boxing. Took some classes and everything, but mostly what it just amounted up to is just like boxing friends or like boxing people that like I knew. There was one point where we had like I had 4 sets of boxing gloves, right? So I
already know where this is going. I already know where this.
Well, okay, so anyway, we bought. I had 4 sets of boxing gloves, and I had them in my trunk of my car for some reason. And there was a bunch of people at the park where I.
Oh my god.
And so basically, all we did was we made a circle, and anybody who wanted to box could box. So we handed them to whoever, and they said, "Who you want to box?" And if they pointed out this guy, and if they said yes, then they would box. If they said no, then he would move on. You know, it wasn't like a malicious attempt to like beat somebody up. We made sure of that.
You get the 5-year-olds in the ring from the
Well,
park.
I mean, you can't box out. You can't. I don't know. To me, you couldn't do it trying to beat the shit out of somebody. That just.
No, that's not cool. Yeah.
So, so this is going on for like an hour. The cops come,
Oh my god.
and we're all like, "Hey, man, we're just boxing." And the cops are like, "Look, it's a sport. There's nothing really I can do about it. Keep the gloves on." So we beat
Yeah.
the shit out of each other. The rest of
Because if you take the gloves off, they can get involved, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Then it's a you're
It's
using
malicious.
this as a weapon.
Yeah.
It's battery. That's assault. Yeah.
What's
But
up,
if you
Aubrey?
put gloves on, then you're good.
Yeah, dude,
So,
that's
yeah,
funny.
There was tons of people that just got said, "Hey, yeah, I'll box." And
Sounds like a lot of fun. And you guys like,
should have went to the hospital, but they did.
and you guys played it. You guys played it like safe. Like if someone got hurt, it was like over. Like you had someone there to break it up in case they got too far. And
As soon as somebody, like I said, there was like 50 people sitting in this like circle or
Damn.
whatever. And if somebody like threw the gloves off trying to act hard, and it happened a couple times, and if it did, everybody got up and ripped people away, so that
Yeah.
they couldn't.
so that happened where everyone had to like charge some dude that was trying to take it too far.
Well, he would throw his gloves down. He'd be like, "All right, take gloves off, bitch," or whatever, act
Really?
good.
He would try and
Well,
fist
he would-
fight?
And most of the times, what happened was it was the guy that threw his gloves down was losing at boxing.
But can you say it again?
The guy that threw his gloves down was losing.
Of course.
So he was getting all pissed off and whatever, and so he
Sure.
threw his gloves down and say, fight me." I mean, that makes
Yeah.
the logic is there. I don't.
It's more like anger. Yeah.
Yeah, he's mad. So yeah, anytime that somebody did that, we just all kind of got up and made sure that they cooled down and whatever.
hmm
But yeah, that was awesome. That was a very good time in my life.
Honestly, dude, that sounds like really fun. But it can get out of hand really fast.
Well, yeah, and it could, but everybody understood. Like when we started, we said literally no one is going to get hurt by purpose. We are only here for boxing, and if you aren't, then you need to leave. And
Yeah.
everybody stayed. Everybody was cool, but there was like there's 2 or 3 people that didn't wanna follow those rules.
hmm Aubrey says, "What in the sack lunch are you trying to code here?" Oh, working on this like productivity tool where I'm gonna turn normal, boring life things into a game. So like doing your laundry, even eating healthy, whatever you make a game out of your life to make it fun. Because we all like playing games and grinding games, but life isn't fun because when you eat healthy, the only reward you get is not dying at, early, which is in like
Good.
40 years.
Good.
Okay, you get what I'm saying though, right? So I'm gonna try and make these things fun. Like doing your laundry. If you don't do the laundry, nothing's gonna happen until like a month later when all your clothes are gonna stink.
I mean,
Like you can wear a shirt a couple times before it stinks. No? You can wear a shirt a couple times.
I don't understand why you have to incentivize doing everyday tasks that people.
Because it's
do.
okay. So for me, it's boring.
So what if it's boring? You gotta do it.
Yeah, but this makes it fun because like I can incentivize myself. So let me explain. I explained this to you already, but I'm gonna say it again for the stream. I want to buy a Nintendo Switch or let's say a VR headset, and I could go right now and buy it. But why not make myself productive before getting that thing? So like I really want to get a VR headset. I'm gonna tell myself I need 10,000 points to get a VR headset, and doing tasks and things like that give me points. And then inside of this game, you can throw mini games and a bunch of things that keep boosting your points. And boosting your points gets you to that goal of whatever number you need to buy that VR headset. And now you have like this anticipation grind, which makes it even more fun to get that final product. and that final product isn't even the best. It's not as much as a goal as the anticipation is. What's up, What's up, Sheldon? How's it going? Almost said Sheldon.
I get it.
I think I know where you're coming from, where you're just like, why, but I think if there was at least something for you to try out, I think you would maybe.
Oh, I would most definitely do the dishes and do the laundry if there was something that I've physically seen. Well, not physically seen. If I gained a monetary
Yeah,
thing out of it.
exactly.
But, and my wife would be happy.
Exactly.
She'd be like, "Why are you doing the dishes? It's midnight."
I gotta get these points, man.
I gotta get 'em.
Like fucking bloodshot eyes. Your hands are like have like carpet burn from washing dishes so fast.
Exactly. Yeah. I think I think that
It would have to. It would have to. Like. I've been reading a lot of books on the human psychology to try and find ways to make it addicting. So like, why are certain games like? Why is Candy Crush, for the past like 5 years, been one of the top games on the fucking store? It's not that fun. But
there's a lot of old people.
I know, but there's like hundreds of millions of people play that shit. Why is it so addicting? It's not even that fun of a game, but why do people play it like crazy? There's reasons that we don't know, because it's all subconscious. I don't know, I find that shit super, like, manipulation is super interesting.
I'm not gonna lie, I played Candy Crush.
Same, I played it too.
I didn't play it for very long.
Yeah.
But it did get me. I mean, when I did play it, it was pretty, say, addicting.
Yeah.
You always wanted to get like to the next level.
Well, you would finish a level and you'd be like, I'll do another one.
Yeah, and I think I think maybe the theory behind that would be it's setting small goals, making people feel like they accomplished something. You know, so
Yeah, I could see that.
continue to do so. So you know, if they complete one easy level in Candy Crush, then they're like, oh well, shit, I can do the next one in 2 minutes, whatever.
Mm-hmm.
So this could be the same thing. I mean, it's the psychological aspect of it, of saying, hey, I finished this, I got something for it. Boom. Because in reality, you don't. I mean, you get a clean rug or clean floor or clean laundry or clean dishes for it, but you don't. Everybody, I guess in a sense, we take that for granted.
Yeah. I feel like there's more to it, dude. I feel like there's something they found out. Like, if you put the color red, blue, and green all in the same line and do this sound, whatever, you trigger something in the brain that makes them want to play it more.
And like I said, I think it's just the small victories that people feel.
But so many games do that, and they don't make it that far. And Candy Crush doesn't do that many ads anymore, or at least I don't see them much.
Well, I think the only reason Candy Crush made it is because it was like the one that hit it off great with.
Yeah.
I don't think it's because of the coloring or anything like that. I think
No, I was just joking about that.
Well, I mean, either way, I think it's just because that was the one that got more popular with people to play. And I said because there's a lot of old people, and that's the truth. My grandma plays Candy Crush. She shares it on Facebook. I see it all the time.
That's funny.
And people are spending people are spending money on it too.
Oh yeah, dude, that it makes a lot of money.
Like they get power ups or whatever.
Oh yeah,
So
dude.
I paid. I downloaded a cooking thing where you just have to tap and cook different things for people like a food truck.
Mm-hmm.
I paid $5.
Oh yeah, dude.
I wanted to get to that next level. That $5 meant nothing. I wanted to get to that next level.
Yep. They catch you there, and then they get.
It's the microtransactions and the
That's what changed the game, by the way, of gaming and mobile gaming in general. Microtransactions is where everything changed, and then you saw it come to PC gaming a couple of years ago, or like a year ago with Fortnite, right? Because Fortnite is a big game with a huge budget, and they were putting it out for free and still making way more money than every other game out there. Why was that? Because they made microtransactions addicting, but the game itself was free.
Well, it makes sense because you know, you make something worth $1.
Yeah, but put it for free.
People nowadays feel as if, you know, dollars are pennies. So
Yeah.
It's basically a steal to buy that for $1. Well, you do that every single time. I'm a victim of it. Every time I get drunk, I go on WoW and I buy some stupid fucking mount for $30.
Oh, okay.
It's stupid.
Yeah.
It's dumb, but it works. It works on people, and that's the messed up thing. Is
Yeah.
that they know what they're doing, yet they. I mean, I don't blame them. I do.
No, I think it's fair game. Look, there's a level which isn't being talked about often, like with Google and a bunch of these companies who are scanning everything we do and everything we say to learn how we think, and then manipulate us using that. That's the level. To me, that's crossing the line. But when it comes to an app making a very enticing purchase, like very enticing microtransactions, then that's on you for pulling out your credit card.
Yeah.
But like, there's like, you know,
Mario Kart.
if Google can hear everything I say, if Google can see the things I type without even entering them, yeah, if Google can go into my webcam and see how my eyes target certain things on the screen, what colors attract my eyes, you know, go into crazy like level of detail of how my brain works, they can find a way to manipulate it to do whatever they want, technically. Right?
Chris, I don't know what Summoner's War is, but if you spent $300 on it, and I'm with you. There was actually a game that was
Looks like a card game. Maybe I'm wrong.
I don't know, but
I know, it's like
game that I played that was based off of Game of Thrones, and
What was
I
it called?
spent at least $600.
Oh my god, what was it called?
But the Game of Thrones game.
Yeah.
Let me see. Where's my phone? Let me see if I can.
I think the most money I've spent on a game.
It was stupid. I would just be laying in bed. I'm like, $5 here, no big deal. But you know, doing that all the time, that adds up.
I've never really
And
spent
I
money in
looked at
games.
My purchase, Game of Thrones Conquest.
Oh, so it's the actual Game of Thrones game.
Yeah. It was stupid. It's so dumb.
Oh my god, that game? I just googled it. It's like Clash of Clans. Oh, Clash of Clans is like the one game I actually put. I think
Clash of Clans. Yeah, I
put like $10 into that or something.
I probably put 1,000 into it.
Oh my god, pocket.
It was stupid. It was.
Yeah.
I mean, honestly, it was dumb. I'd get drunk and I'd wake up the next morning and be like, "Oh my god, why?" But I can't take it back.
Yeah.
So I'm deal with it. But
Just-
I deleted. I don't have any games on my phone anymore.
Because of that?
Yeah. I mean, now I have Robin Hood downloaded.
The Robin Hood, yeah. Dude, I wish
$100 in, I made $30.
I wish we had Robin Hood here, dude. I would be on that shit so much. It's so good. You guys don't have to pay any fees. You can put in $100. Here, you have to open like a $5,000 fucking portfolio. You got to pay a bunch of fees to keep it open. You got to pay a bunch of fees to buy stocks. You like here, it's so bad, and you guys like Robin Hood and Venmo. You know Venmo?
Yep.
Like no fees. It's amazing. Like if I'm at a restaurant with you and I forgot my wallet, I'm like, hey Pocket, I'm gonna Venmo you $10. Can you just pay for my meal? And it Venmos you $10 and I send you $10. If I go to PayPal, I have to pay I think a $3 fee. So I gotta pay $13 to give you $10.
Yeah. That-
Like with Josh and I, one time we sold something for for $20, right? And the person returned the order. So he had to out of pocket pay for the full order, and then I was supposed to give my share back to him, but if I were to give my share to him just because of the fee, it would nearly be the price of the whole product. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
It's like it's either we take a big loss
Well,
there.
I
Or...
think it's because you're crossing currencies there, though.
No, we're not. I have a U.S. account.
Oh.
Yeah, I only do USD because Canadian dollar is trash.
Hmm.
Trump.
Yeah, I mean, on Robinhood, man, I bought $100 worth of shares on one thing, and over a week, I've made $30.
Dude, that's awesome. I would love to see your portfolio
Why?
because I love that shit. I want to see what stocks you're investing in.
No.
Puts in.
But no, I mean, it's all like
Is it penny stocks?
like $3. $3.
Okay, so it's not penny stocks, but it's not big stock.
No, it's
That's
not
good.
penny stocks, but yeah, I
Are
mean,
you blindly putting money into these companies, or are you like researching them and seeing what their long-term goals are and blah blah blah?
Well, no, this one was at an all-time. This one, let's see, 1 month ago. Okay, so a month ago it was high. It went down, and I bought it when it was low.
Okay.
I knew that it was gonna go up, so I bought it. I just looked at the repetition of what it does, and it's always on a steady upward deal,
Mhm.
except from like 5 years ago when it first came out. Whatever. Another good one to maybe consider. I don't know if you know anything about the California wildfires that are going on right now.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, the utility company is to blame for this because apparently there was two power lines that were too loose and the wind was so high and they were hitting together and they were sparking.
Mhm.
This is just all what I've been told. I don't know if this is true or not, but
Either way.
yeah, either way, the fires happened, and before that, their stock was at like $66 a share.
Mhm.
It went down to like $2 a share. Had I had money whenever that happened, because okay, so here's my analytical logic thought, whatever you want to call it. I'm dumb. I know nothing about stocks, but no one is okay. So it went from, let's just say 60 down to $2.
From $60 to $2.
Yes.
Damn.
Everybody was bailing out because
Yeah.
they knew that it was gonna go down.
Well, yeah, and that's literally how the market works. Most of the time, fear is what makes it fluctuate.
Well, they knew it was gonna go down, but the thing, when it wasn't going to reach its top in any time soon. So they were cashing out and going and put their money elsewhere. Now, here's where I come in and buy, let's say, 1,000 shares for $2,000, right?
Yeah.
And I wait for, let's just say, because nobody's going to come in and buy a utility company. They're going to be there to stay.
Mhm.
So if I buy 1,000 shares and then it goes, let's just say it goes back up to $60. That's 60,000 minus the 2,000. I made 58,000 just off of two grand.
Yeah, but okay, but wait. Your logic is obviously makes sense, but for it to go up, they have to do things to bring up the value of the stock to bring the demand to buy that stock. Now that's where your job as an investor comes in. You got to go to these companies, to their websites, to Twitter, find out what people are saying, find out what their long-term game is, right? Because if you're putting in $2,000, you want to make sure you're not just giving it so they could do some risky thing and take it and take a big loss and you lose all your money.
I think it would be different though if it was a different company. I mean, the utility company in California is obviously going to take a hit. Lawsuits and after this and after, all of that. But they're not. How many people live in California alone? They're going to stay there. There's nothing that they can say or do that will change. I mean, they can't change it. I mean, it's gonna go back up.
Yeah.
Regardless of they're there to stay. It's like saying gold's getting replaced by silver. It's not gonna. It doesn't work.
Yeah, but it's. I get what you're saying. I just. When I put money into stock, I'm very like, what is going to happen in the next X amount of time so that I can understand what their plan is, and then I would go and see what people think about their plan, and then from there I can have an idea if people are going to want to put their money into that company or not.
I mean, 2,000 this year, and then
like the best
8,000 in 10 years. I'll take that.
I mean, yeah, but that's not guaranteed. It's guaranteed the company will do its best.
It's gonna get better than 2,000.
It's going to go up, but there's going to be a time where it's going to go down and it might not come back up. And that's where your job is to to find the point where it's like, okay, it's enough. I'm not going to get greedy. I'm out. Sell while you can. It's a like I was reading another book about this. Like, it's a big thing about the investing community is the way our brain is wired, where we want to be right, not rich. What was that?
It's already up $7.12. I would have made.
Oh wow.
Yeah, I mean.
Oh, so listen, this guy was telling the story of he put like 10 grand into stock when he had him a lot of money. So this wasn't a lot of money. I mean, it was a decent amount, but it wasn't like life changing. Put 10 grand into some stock, and he knew it was gonna go down. And he wanted to sell it, and he went to sleep and woke up and totally forgot to sell it that night, right? So he woke up and the stock dropped and he lost all the money. And he was saying how he was happy because he was right, and his brain didn't think about the fact that he just lost $10,000. He was just happy because he was right, because he knew he would drop and he was right. And it's just the way our brains are wired to be right and not rich.
That's always winning.
Yeah. Like some people, when they argue and they panic and they get all defensive, it's not anymore about the actual argument. It's just about being right.
Yeah.
Like
I'm one of those people.
Really?
Yeah, I am.
I used to be really badly, and now I'm a bit more. I calm myself down and I'm like, just think about what you're saying.
Yeah.
And yeah, it's tough. It's really hard.
I believe it's all a mindset, though.
It is.
If you have the
But
correct mindset going into that argument, if you know you didn't do anything, then
Well, it takes training. It takes training to not crack under pressure. It doesn't just. It takes you have to get in those situations more, and then learn to calm yourself down. It doesn't just happen like right away, I don't know, dude. Yeah. I find that shit so interesting. Like, have you ever heard of dark psychology?
No, but hear me out.
Yeah.
I'm gonna take my dogs out. I'll come back.
Okay.
Talk about dark psychology.
Okay, go do that.
I'll be right back.
All right.
Look at my grind real hoodie.
Anyone still in the stream? You guys enjoying this like podcast that we're doing right now? Stock seasonality analysis is good. What is that? I mean, seasonally analyzing your stock portfolio? That's my guess. What up? Oh my god, how do I pronounce his name? Xurify. What up? Pocket's always wanted to do a podcast, and I've never been able to just because I'm trying to do YouTube and run my own thing and just somewhat busy. And this might be an option, just like when we're streaming and I'm done working and I'm like in that procrastination, we're just hanging out with chat. We throw Pocket in the stream and we just do a little podcast with chat. I'm sure you guys would like that, and then I guess we can record it and cut up the highlights and just throw it into a video. It helps predict the stock market. Can you explain more? Because I'm still a little confused. I honestly believe the stock market is somewhat unpredictable. That everyone that says they can predict it is really just kind of like 50% sure. I don't think anyone's actually over 50% sure. They're confident, which makes it 49%. But I don't think anyone is actually like genuinely sure a stock will go up. Unless they know what's going on behind the scenes, which then becomes fraud if I'm not mistaken. That's why I don't think Snapchat employees can invest in Snapchat stock or whatever. Or maybe they can, but it's different. I don't know. There's some rule there. I'm sure one of you could tell me about it. I'm actually working right now, but it's chill. That's all good, dude. It's all good, dude. Alright, Crystal, are you still coding? Or are you working like on something? I learned it in statistics. It helps grab a base on the market jumps. I analyzed Intel when I did it. Always gamble with this insight. Yeah, I guess insight's a fair word. Yes, Golang. Damn. I have a hard time reading Golang. Like I don't like the syntax, or at least the wording. It just doesn't make sense to me. But it is a good language. A lot of people are using it, and there's definitely a market for it. And it's going to get bigger and bigger. I was like kind of predicting it a couple of years ago, or maybe like 2 years ago, where people started to talk about it, and I was like, this is going to be a big language. Alright, we got to figure this error out. I think it's breaking because there's nothing in the database to show. Message not found, stack API not found. Okay, so I should be writing my code in dist or in my no more folder. Distribution. Learning a language for for legacy system helps? What like kind of language would you do for legacy systems? I think that's taking a step back when you should be taking a step forward, but that's just my opinion. Give me a second. I'm just gonna see if. If you think it will go out of date, everything basically does, so wouldn't hurt to try it. I mean, I'd rather learn Golang or JavaScript than PHP right now. You know? PHP is still used, but just not, or like Ruby. Ruby is just not there anymore. As much as I want to say I like Ruby, it's disappearing slowly. At least in the US and Canada. Still really big in Japan. It's crazy. There's a guy in Discord, Sleepover, and he works in Japan, and it's pretty crazy. Do it. Golang and JavaScript. Just stay away from Ruby. Ruby, like, I could see what you're saying. Sorry. Just getting someone to walk the dog while I work. So I want to log in. To log in, you have to sign up. What happens when we run?
What up?
You're back. Alright, so tests run, everything passes. That's freaking awesome.
What?
Nothing. Can you help me find some people to play? Who did we play with last time? Russo, Josh, you, me. Oh, Craig, maybe.
Patrick.
And okay, Patrick's definitely not gonna play.
Yeah,
But
angry.
but try get Craig maybe. I messaged Josh. He said he's in a video call right now, but maybe when he's done.
Shit, never answered me back. I don't know. I did what I could. 8-8. You don't have to play Pummel Party. You can try that maybe Friday night or something.
I'm telling Josh right now. See if he'll join us. Thanks for being here, everyone, in the stream. Got 5 people.
People's here. Oh, what's up, 5 people? I'm one of them.
I'm probably one of them too.
Dang, more people.
Yeah.
Do that.
No, don't do it. Okay, don't add everyone.
Whatever. Aimless plug.
Don't do it. Oh my god, you dick. People are gonna start coming in here like, fuck off.
I didn't add everybody.
You didn't? Oh,
I just put your link in there.
thank you.
How do you see how many people are in here?
If you
Oh, go. Here we go. What's up, dog?
how do you see? Oh yeah, it says 6. Vitmore Lima says, what up, my dude? What's up, Vitmore? No, Vitor. Oops.
Vitor Lima.
You just subscribed to my channel, Pocket. Devin Pace 24 minutes ago.
Dude,
It took you 1 year.
I have like 16 different YouTube channels because I forget every time I like use CC Cleaner and I forget my passwords for everything. I have a bunch of Devin Paces.
Because it's like the 3rd one I remember now.
I just don't know the password.
I was like, damn, he's unsubscribing and resubscribing every fucking time.
No, that's not it at all. There's like 3 of them floating around that, like, my phone is on one, and I'm pretty sure I'm subbed on that one. I don't know what I'm doing in my life.
That's relatable.
Whatever.
Relatable. Dude, I messaged Mousy and I'm like, Mousy, I'm stuck on this simple error and I don't know how to fix it. And he's like trying to talk me through a bunch of things and I'm like, Mousy, I know how to do these things. I'm telling you this is something stupid and I can't see it. And he tells me, he's like, check your comments, and I skipped over his like that message and I'm like, hello. It's okay. Can you close the door?
Sorry.
It's all good.
Who's that?
The dog.
Sorry.
Game/productivity tool. I talked about it a lot in the stream. I don't want to make you skip through like an hour stream, but I talked about it in the first like minute. If you want more like context. What was I saying, Pocket? I lost my train of thought. Oh, sorry.
Alright.
The comment. Pretty much.
Oh.
Pretty much. I had something commented out. I don't know if you know what that. Yeah, you've written code. I had something commented out, and I was staring at it like for an hour, for 2-3 hours today, trying to change what is in that comment without remembering that it was a comment. That's how like tunnel vision I had. And then Mousy said that thing, and I'm like, wait a minute. Uncommented.
Same thing in like one of my C++ assignments that I had to do, and the instructor took off like
Oh my god,
20
dude.
points.
That doesn't change when you get a job. That oh, what the fuck? Wait, can you hear that? Can you hear that?
Yeah.
That's
That
hurt.
was the point. I was like, man, you know what? I did the fucking work.
Wait, give me a sec. Sorry, give me a sec.
What's up, chat? What's up, chat?
Hey!
How you all doing today?
it? Nova.
I'm doing good.
Eli, you got a grip on her? Nova, enough.
No. You guys are great people. Except for Crystal.
Hey,
She's
stop it.
exceptional. Can't talk!
Alright, you can walk her around the backyard.
Oh my goodness. You can walk
What a
around the
weirdo.
backyard.
Sorry, Pocket, I had to cut you off.
Oh, you're good. You're good.
Cause she's nearly a 70-pound like pure muscle German Shepherd, and my sister weighs like 90 pounds. And if she wants to chase some random dude in the street, she's taking her with her, you know. So, I was just keeping an eye.
Ah, man, it's fair enough.
she's been hard to train lately. Really hard. Like, it's terrible.
You know how like kids are bad in their teenage years? That's how.
Oh yeah, she's in her teenage age. Like, look, when I got her, I could walk her off leash in the fucking city. And around now, like past 2 months, it's to the point where she runs away from me when I'm trying to discipline her, I guess. So like when we're at the park and there's a really small puppy and she gets rough with it and I tell her to calm down, she'll run to the other side of the puppy that I'm on and then still play rough. And then when I go around the dog to catch her, she just keeps circling that dog and like giving it nips on the body.
Right.
So I got a vibrating collar because I know she doesn't like that shit. It was to the point where I had to get one of those vibrating collars because it was getting pretty bad. She'll chase down a dog and hunt it. And yeah, it sucks. It sucks that I have to do that to her, but she just won't listen. You know? And it's not like
I'm pretty good. I'm pretty good, man. How are you?
Oh, sorry.
You've already answered that. Certify. Do any coding today? But yeah, I just think that like dogs are. I think they're just like, they all have the same personalities. Like I have 5 dogs, you know that, and each one of them has their single personality. It's crazy to say that all dogs are just dogs. They're not.
What do you mean by that?
Like, people just think, well, it's just a dog. But no, that's not.
No, it's the equivalent of a child with a knife.
Yeah, I mean, you know, that dog has a personality. You know, it has its like.
Oh, I see what you're saying. Sorry, yeah.
It's not just a dog.
Yeah.
You know, my pit bull, she's the nicest pit bull in the world. Not that I.
Yeah. But what's interesting about pit bulls? Most of the time, at least from my experience with them, pit bulls are better with people than they are with dogs.
Yeah.
Because when a pit bull is angry, they have the power to do a lot of damage. Versus when a chihuahua is angry, while they will hurt you, they will not kill you. And I think that's where the problem with big dogs comes in. You know what I mean?
But, I mean...
I'm not saying pit bulls are worse than chihuahuas. I'm saying they're more powerful. Making them...
Yeah, of course.
Yeah. Josh says, what is this code? No, Josh, it's just a screen... It's just my background here. Do you see it, Pocket? This is not Pummel Party. Get out of here. Josh, you want to play Pummel Party? You want to get in on this?
He didn't even,
You want to get trashed again?
Yeah, you want to beat up, bruh? Maybe a mod.
Huh?
I want to be a mod. I've never been a mod in the YouTube.
You said you wanted to be a... You said you wanted to be a bouncer.
No, not in the Discord. I'm gonna be a mod on YouTube.
Oh, I can make you a mod. Oh yeah, I can make you a mod. Yeah, how did Josh get a mod? Who made that nerd mod?
Ah, I'm a mod. Look at this. Look at this. A mod.
Alright, so Josh is gonna live stream like a nerd, so he's not gonna play with us.
Oh my god, should we go with...
Cause he's a YouTuber, huh? gotta do the... He's gotta do a bikini haul. His grind reel bikini haul.
I just want to flex the chest with my...
Yeah, Josh, did you tell him about it? Did you tell him you got the sweatshirt?
I tagged him. I said, "Notice me, Daddy." I was drunk like 3 weeks ago. Oh my gosh. No,
I was there. Josh, I want to buy a sweatshirt. He's like, no, let me get it for you so you don't, so you have to pay like $20 extra. And you're like, no, I'm getting it. He paid like $50 for it.
$7.
It's so much money for a fucking sweatshirt.
And then I forgot, like I was getting ready to check out, and I forgot that I was trying to get a black one. They don't have black ones.
Oh. Is it a cheap sweatshirt? Be honest. Is it like a cheap? Yeah.
No,
Okay.
it feels great. It's
That's
like,
great.
It's not, and I don't know. It's like how would I explain this? It's thick, but not like so thick you could. I don't know. You can move. Some hoodies that I've worn that are they're so big and like fluffy or whatever. But this one feels light, but like heat stays in.
Yeah. It's a sweatshirt. A good
Yeah,
sweatshirt.
yeah, it's good. I mean, it's $57 worth.
Tool from the future.
God
The most
damn it,
But-
dude.
visual code.
Ads.
I don't know. I like this. Will you all shut up? Jesus Christ!
Thick.
Gosh.
Tamor, can I be a mod? Should I just make everyone mod?
No, I want to feel important.
What do you want? Hey, what do you want? What do you want?
Oh my goodness.
Close the door.
Jeez.
You have to like jiggle the knob so it actually closes.
Oh, jiggle it.
Here. That's up to you. You want it? Here. There's a ball inside the cage. Just stuff
There
it.
was one outside.
Yeah, right here. Yeah, because they're garbage. They're broken. Whatever. Just take these and take it downstairs to the cage. Did you pee?
No, she didn't.
She didn't do anything?
She didn't poo. We
Okay,
were out
take-
for like
take
10
this.
minutes.
You walked in the backyard
Yeah, backyard front yard.
and she didn't pull you too hard?
She pulled a little bit, but I like did
Okay.
your thing. So.
Alright.
Okay, Nova, come. You want a treat?
Just like inside her ball, you could stuff it. It's a bit hard to get it in there, but stuff it and she'll love it.
Nova, you want a treat? Huh?
Can you go? Come here.
Come here.
Wiggle the knob. Can you hear that?
Yeah.
Oh god.
Y'all good?
All right, so I don't know if I want to play Pummel Party with just you and I, or do we want to do?
No, not really. We just keep talking, dude. It's
All
kinda
right.
cool.
This is. I was just saying earlier when you left, like this could be our podcast thing. So like
Yeah,
I start the
yeah.
stream doing whatever that stream is about, and then by the end when I'm done, just throw you in and the boys, and we just have a good time.
Kind of talking about whatever, you know.
I need to dude. Listen how depressing this is. I've been doing YouTube for like 10 months now. Like not full time, but harder than it was on the first couple months. And I'm halfway to my subscriber count to get monetized. But I only have 718 hours out of 4,000 needed. That's so many hours. So pretty much I have to stream a lot. And I think I'm gonna stream daily on YouTube, even though it's not good for the algorithm, because fuck the algorithm right now. I just need to get that 4,000 watch hours. The problem is, if I don't get the 4,000 watch hours within 12 months, that month where I started doing YouTube, if I gained 100 hours, it's gonna get thrown out for the new month. It's like a queue. You see what I'm saying? So if there was a month that I gained 100 hours on, I have to draw this out. Sorry, Pocket. I'm gonna have to explain this. We got 12 months. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is the oldest month. This is the newest month. Let's say this is the current month in green. When this month is over and the new month comes in, so in this case it's going to be December, sorry, then this month is going to get popped out. And if I gained 100 hours in this month, I'm going to lose 100 hours on my total watch time. So I'm going to go from 718 out of 4,000 to 618. So I have to keep growing in the next couple months before I start to lose. And if I can grow at a fast and large rate, the losing won't matter that much. Because when I first started, I barely gained any hours. Probably like 200 hours in the first like 3-4 months. So now is the time to boost the shit out of YouTube so that I can fix that number. Sorry, Pocket. You there? Hello? Alright, Pocket's not there. And just have this mess of code in the background throughout the pod. Well, I wanted to do code, but I'm not. I'm kind of lost a bit on figuring something out here. So I'm multitasking it. Pocket seems to be dead. Devin? Pocket? Yeah, he's disappeared. What are you trying to figure out? Oh, so I have this backend app now, and I'm honestly just trying to run some code from here. So if we go to our server and routes, inside of the routes we have routes like this one right here, /login. It's a post. So when I go into my browser and I actually type in /login,
Sorry.
it's all good. It doesn't work. It throws an error. But I don't see necessarily what the error is. I just see message not found. Oh, user not found. API not found. Okay, so that makes sense. That makes sense. Because there's no users in the database. Okay, that's fine. So I ran the login without anything, so it broke. Okay, but what if I do this? Not found as well. Okay, let's look at some routes. Health check. So if we do /health check, we should get an OK. That's weird. Did you set up a link? Oh, this isn't front end. This is purely back end right now. Pocket, you want to take over stream for a sec while I go to the bathroom?
Yeah, sure. So what we have here is a conundrum of different files that are supposed to do different things that I have no idea what they're doing. But, you know, it's whatever. You know, we just we do things and we got it. You know, get the job done that way. Do the math. So, how are, well, I already asked this, but, oh, I like your mic. Are you guys having a good day? I'm asking the new people here because I just asked that like maybe 20 minutes ago. So maybe the people that have just joined. All right, that's good. That's good. It's really productive. I mean, I'm glad that you guys are having a productive day. Well, that you are. But, oh, you made a vid, like, on YouTube? Do you do that sort of thing? Like this, I guess? Fuck, shit, I don't know. My day is, it was about normal. But, you know, it is what it is. Really do anything. Well, there you go. At least you did something, right? You know, small victories. Back in 88, did a sign in form. Honestly, that would probably take me a couple weeks. I don't know what I'm doing. I mean, I know how to do it, but like I'm not really smart at it, so I'd have to like Google everything, and I'd end up just copy pasting doing. So,
All right, back.
oh,
What was going on?
happened.
You can keep going. I'll shut up. Oh, damn, some messages. You got some interactions here.
I'm just trying.
Pocket with the in-depth analysis. I like his mic too.
I don't. Does my mic sound good? I don't know.
Yeah, it sounds really good.
Oh, good. I paid a bunch of money for it.
Created a sign in and sign up form in project today. It was all right. Formic done 2 hours. Never heard
I
of
don't
it.
know what Formic is.
Me either. Probably another tool that exists.
Yeah.
Pocky, you said you have Rainbow, right? You don't have it downloaded?
Well, okay, so you know how I was telling you about how I use like CC cleaner and it clears out like everything? Well,
Yeah,
I did that
yeah.
one time and I bought it on this Steam account before I got back my old one, which is what you
Account
know
name?
me at now. Yeah, so I bought it on a different Steam account and I can't find it, which I'm not opposed to buying it again, but
I'm pretty sure it's on a really crazy deal, like $10.
yeah, but it's 20. Okay, so it's $20.
Oh, it went
but
back up now. Damn it.
Either way, like I don't think I would get 20 hours out of it.
Okay, that's fair. If you wouldn't, then that's totally fair. I've already gotten my hours out of it, but yeah, no, it's a very, it's hard to casual, you know.
I played it on Xbox One, and I again got drunk and bought the pass and everything. And I got into it, but I mean, there was just other games that caught my mind. Like I'm not really big into like
FPS, yeah.
It's fun.
It's fun when
But
there's like a place for it, but I'd much rather play Pummel Party with you, you know.
yeah, like I like the stupid games like Farming Simulator. I don't know why, but let me. I wonder how many hours.
Yeah, dude. You know Gary's mod?
I have 100 hours in that game for no reason.
You know Gary's mod?
5 days of my life.
I
4
put
days.
I put
Gears, yeah.
637 hours into Gary's mod.
Come on.
I think my most played game though is CS:GO. I used to be addicted to that shit because I was in college and I hated college, so CS:GO 1,394 hours.
It doesn't show my condition 0. I had this is a new account. My condition 0 hours was up in the thousands.
Damn.
Way back in the day, whenever
Oh yeah, dude.
Source wasn't out. It was just like CZ was out, and I played that. I made money off of it, and it was good times. I played in
Damn.
tournaments and shit.
Xerify says he has over 4,000 hours in CS:GO.
Good.
That's pro.
Lord.
That's pro. If you ain't playing, if you're not pro in CS:GO after 4,000 hours, then
Everything up to this point, he's just been playing CS:GO.
yeah. I mean, the pros in CS:GO have like 7,000 to 10,000, I think. Well, like 2 years ago.
4.
So 4,000 is like almost there. What rank are you though? Are you like?
He spent 167 days of his life playing that.
What rank are you though? Like if you're silver after 4,000 hours, then I'd be a little
The
bit concerned.
hitboxes on that game are just complete booty.
I think it's if you're in a low tick rate server. That is accurate. 7K to 10K hours. But they also had hours in. You know what? You're silver 2 after 4,000 hours. I refuse to accept that. There's no chance. Silver 1 is the lowest rank you could be. There's no chance you're silver 2.
He's probably really good at surfing.
Yeah, dude, surfing was so much fun. You're probably like DMG or some shit.
Source? Oh my god, that was so fun.
Did we play that together?
Counter-Strike Source?
No, surfing. Surfing in
No,
CS:GO.
Oh, I've only done it in Source.
That's where you like wall run and shit, but it's like smooth.
Yeah, you
Yeah.
run, but it's really smooth.
Yeah. So much fun.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
satisfying.
I did that, and I played like what was that? Sierra Leone. Yeah, this by Mount Eden, and I play that, and I do it all freaking night.
Yeah,
And
dude.
it was so fun, and I mean, there would be like 6 of my friends that we would all just do it together, and that was crazy. That was fun.
Guess how many hours I have in Pummel Party?
2.
3.
Shit. How many do I have?
Probably the same amount.
No, because I played by myself one time. Oh yeah, I have. You know.
All right.
Atlas got 43 hours. That was a mistake.
One game I love is Scum. Such a cool game, but the execution was.
fun.
It's not fun because they made it a little too hardcore, but they made a crazy map, crazy like physics. Everything was awesome, but they made it really hard to play with friends. Because you have to meet up on the map, right? But if you spawn randomly and you spawn on two different corners, that's about an hour of walking to get to each other. And imagine walking for an hour to play with your friend, to die and respawn on the other side of the map again. You
I'll
know?
tell you what, a good game that we could play, subsistent.
Let me
It's
search
like
it up.
yeah, it's on. Check it out and see what you think.
Subsistent?
Subsistence.
Subsistence? Oh, I see. Okay. I wrote it wrong, but let me autocorrect that quickly.
I have it. I have 28 hours played. It's pretty fun.
PvE, survival game, struggle to build a base, gear up, wildlife, and AI hunters who also build. Okay, so it's like Rust. Is it actually fun?
Yeah. I had fun in it. I played by myself. There was one day I played like 15 fucking hours of it.
So I could buy it, and we could try it.
It's completely up to you. I mean, we can do this like on stream or whatever. We can play it together.
Okay, I'm gonna let stream decide. There's 4 people in here. If they say yes, they have to stay here the whole time while we play. So at least I get my watch hours, okay? Because your boy needs to pay these games off at one point.
It's like always.
Whoa, you're cutting out. What was that?
Okay.
Oh, he's not talking to me.
Yeah. Sorry.
No, you're good. You're good. Hey,
It's fun.
I'll give it a try. I'll give it a try. I'm down. Open-minded. Purchase for myself. We'll play it
Alright,
tonight,
I'll
though,
listen.
right?
No.
Oh,
I'll have
fuck.
I'll have to, it'll have to be tomorrow night because I'll have to install it.
All right, so tomorrow night. But
I
I'll
pretty
buy.
much I pretty much devoured my computer of anything that I don't use on a daily.
That's fair.
I don't know why. Like I have a terabyte hard drive and it did like.
No, I get it. I get it.
But I'm
Totally.
telling you,
Anyways, I downloaded it.
Oh, okay.
I paid for it. It's too late to go. Well, not too late to go back, but whatever.
It's fun. It's fun.
I trust
I
you.
enjoy it. I would have had more fun.
It's like
if I had
Minecraft,
somebody
but
helping.
better graphics.
Well,
I don't know. It looks like a Rust / Minecraft mix. I don't know if that's not fair, but
but there's no. I mean,
it looks like you have to build
there's no
bases, you have to hunt, you have to craft weapons.
block.
Yeah.
You have to eat. I mean, there's a survival aspect of it, and I like.
But is it super hardcore, or can you still have fun?
You can have levels of it. There's different levels. So
Wait,
it can
dude,
be
the game's only
easy.
1 gig. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
1 gig?
Yeah.
That seems crazy.
I might be able to play it. Well, I don't know. Maybe just the initial download, but
Yeah, it might be the download, and then it's gonna install the assets from the game.
yeah. Because this dude, he's making it by himself. And
Oh,
I
shit.
think that he's done a really good job of it.
Oh, you know what? I want to show you something awesome.
Yeah,
Warhammer 40K. Send video. So there's this game called Warhammer 40K. I'm not too familiar with it.
It's like a turn-based game.
Yeah. Well, I think it's a board game. Maybe someone can correct me.
Yeah, it's a board.
Oh, you know what it is?
yeah,
Okay.
board.
And there's this guy, Arstes. I'm gonna play it on stream. Pull up the stream. Okay. I want to take a chance of getting demonetized, even though I'm not monetized for this.
Okay.
This is Webflow.
I'm gonna wait for you though
Meet the
while the
design
ad
tool
plays.
from the future.
Crystal the Forest though is it's a good game. I
Forest
just
looks
think that-
scary.
It is scary, dude.
Not gonna lie to you,
admit.
games scare the shit out of me. Like when I'm playing a scary game, I actually get scared.
Actually, Green Hell is a really fun game too. I haven't really checked on that in a while either. But it's definitely not an off-brand PUBG. It's more survival.
Okay, so this guy made a full CGI movie based off of Warhammer 40k. All right, you're watching Pocket?
I got it up.
This thing is so fucking good, and one guy made the whole thing. He did the 3D objects, he did the color grading, he did the rendering, everything alone. You know, like it's hard to explain, but this takes a lot of work. Anyways, I'm playing it.
Is it Warcraft 3 or did you do like Orgrimmar in World of Warcraft? I'll tell you.
This shit's so cool already. So fucking cool.
Oh, it's definitely. I only got 20 minutes left on my download.
Wait, what was that?
I only got 20 minutes left on my download. I thought it was way bigger.
Oh, okay, so we could play it. Wait, so
Maybe,
I
yeah.
want to show you the fighting scene though. I really want you to watch. Anyway, it's a full 15-minute movie, but I'm gonna skip to the fighting scene just because I want you guys to see it. It's the crazy. All right, I'm gonna shut up. Everyone on stream, shut up. Watch. Look how fucking real that looks. The running.
I'm not gonna lie, I can't really watch it because my internet's so poopy.
Oh, that's so cool. Pay attention to his helmet.
Imitation crap.
Sorry, Pocket. What was that? Pocket.
Some dude in Grindville thought that imitation crab was imitation lobster. Bothers me.
Oh, I don't even fucking know, to be honest. All right, I'm sorry. I'm gonna play this shit again. Wait. Give it like 1 minute. Xerify, I know, right? Look, okay. I'm gonna pause for this one clip. Look at that. His friend saved him. Look, okay, pay attention to the eye cracking, okay? Tell me if you can see it. I'm not gonna say what, but pay attention. Did you see it? There was blood inside that bubbled out while the glass was cracking. It's insane. How good is that? One guy made this. He pretty much built this whole world on his computer like a game, built the characters like a game, but instead of having it controlled by a remote or a keyboard or a mouse, he controls it by hand animating everything. So every time someone's running, he animates the hand movement, the finger movement, the shoulder pad, everything, and he builds a running sequence. And then he builds a fighting sequence, and he built everything from scratch. Then he's got to take these plastic-looking people and make them look real by faking light bouncing off them and putting like scrap on the metal and just like a bunch of shit. Ooh, Pocket, I wish I could listen to that right now.
That's what I used to listen to whenever we used to do like a Surf Sky. Surf Sky was the best.
The game Xerify is Warhammer 40k, but it doesn't look like that. It's like some board game or something.
I'm pretty sure Warhammer's a board game.
It's like Dungeons and Dragons. Yeah,
Yeah, exactly. But you can buy like pieces of.
Yeah, you're right. That's exactly what it
physical
is.
Things to make like your map and whatever bigger.
Yeah, that movie would make a great like video game though. Or honestly, I think the creators of Warhammer should just go to that guy and give him like
Blizzard.
give him like a. Oh really?
Yeah.
I would, if I was Blizzard, I would go to the fucking guy who made this video and I would tell him, "Here's $1 million. You have 1 year to make a full movie."
Nah, they ain't gonna do that.
I mean, they're not, but it would be awesome.
I mean, it would, but I mean,
There's no chance they'll do it.
Blizzard. I mean, they brought back Classic to get idiots like me back into playing the game, and it worked.
And it worked, yeah.
They're fighting for existence, and then they.
Well, everyone's
they
doing that. Like
release-
Call of Duty,
well, I mean-
Activision, what are they doing? They're remaking their old games because no one likes their new ones.
And not only that, but Blizzard came out with Overwatch 2.
Really?
That was in there. Yeah, well, the Overwatch 2 is a thing now.
I didn't know that.
Yeah, it's coming out.
That sounds
Blizzard
terrible.
does Overwatch. It looks cool, but then there's also Diablo 4, which
I've heard of
is
that.
kind
Wait, is that the
of on my
mobile one?
mind.
Is that the mobile shit?
What?
Is that like the mobile Diablo
No.
mobile game?
No, this is a full-fledged PC game,
Okay.
but it's Diablo 4, and I played the shit out of that, of Diablo 3.
And
Anyway.
Diablo 4 wasn't good?
Diablo 4 isn't out yet.
Oh, okay.
They just announced it at BlizzCon, and they announced Diablo 4, but BlizzCon, blah 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 blah. Diablo 4, Overwatch 2, and the new World of Warcraft Shadowlands expansion coming out. Whatever, it's probably the same bullshit, but.
Who
But
knows?
I'm most excited for Diablo 4.
We'll see if it's gonna be good or if it's gonna be bad.
I mean, Diablo 3 was fun, except for the fact that, like, you can get the Russian scepter and just go one-shot anything, hit it for, like, 15... What's past trillion?
I don't know.
I don't even know what's past trillion, but you can hit it for that.
Quadrillion or whatever.
Yeah, quadrillion, yeah, and just one-shot anything. It just made the game unfun. It was hacked. So if you had that, then you could,
Yeah.
basically go through any Paragon level and just keep getting Paragon levels. And then once you hit, like, I don't think they meant for anybody to get to like 600 or 1,000 Paragon level, then
Yeah, I see what you're
didn't do
saying.
anything about it. And I don't know if you played Diablo 3 or not. But
No, but I've seen it. I just thought I thought it was mobile. I remember the Blizzard was like releasing that they're making a mobile game, and people were freaking out. Maybe that was that for WoW?
Paladin? No.
No,
It wasn't Paladin.
then maybe I'm thinking of something else. I don't know. I think I'm just
I
confused.
don't know. I know they have Hearthstone.
I don't remember, to be honest.
Hearthstone's that card game. I don't know. I don't know what it's made as far as mobile, but
Yeah, I don't remember either.
I don't know.
to
I
be
mean,
honest.
they gotta stay relevant as a company, regardless. So.
For sure.
Kind of like
That's tough.
Activision. I mean, there was a guy at work that I work with. He was playing. Oh, the new Modern Warfare is so great. If you're sniping, you have to account for the bullet drop and everything. And I'm like, all right, so Battlefield 4.
Battlefield 4 was fun.
Battlefield 4 is my favorite game of all time.
Yeah, I 100% agree. Super fun. Doesn't get boring. pretty good like gunplay. Like no gun is too much.
I think it's well balanced.
Yeah, it's a good game.
Given the skill,
I think
I think that,
five.
like,
If 5 had the gunplay of 4, it would be a great game. But it's way too like the time to kill is way too much. It's way too low. It's like 2 shots and you're dead. So
I was
the problem
playing on hardcore, so
the problem with time to kill is one of the hardest things for games to figure out is how do you make it hard without making it too hard? Like how do you make it so that if you shoot me in the back, I still might have a chance to kill you before it's fully over.
I think that what companies need to realize, do they want to be a Rainbow Six or do they want to be a Call of Duty?
But even
where it
Rainbow
takes-
Six, there's you can fuck up. Like if you shoot someone in the back, there's a chance they can turn around and get you. But if you shoot someone in the head, most of the time they're dead.
Not many. There's not many times that you can unload on somebody and they turn around and shoot.
I
But
mean,
in Call of Duty, there is that.
not in the new ones, in the old ones for sure.
I think the Battlefield meets that criteria in the middle.
I don't agree. At least for 5.
And
For 4, yeah, for sure. 4 is great. 4 was perfect.
Three shots and they're dead.
Yeah, enough for like maybe for them to flick. No, they can. If you shoot them on the side, they can get you, but in the back, they die.
Well, yeah, I mean, you shoot them in the arm or whatever. And I think that we are in this day of age where we can construct that kind of health.
Oh yeah,
negativity.
it ends up being like a politic thing, where everyone fucking suddenly knows what they're talking about, and they go back and forth arguing with.
Well,
No,
if you
this
take
is better.
3 to
and
the
that is
leg, you're
better."
gonna die slower than getting 3 to the head.
Yeah, but in 5, you're dying from like 2. Anywhere.
I played 5 for a little bit.
I didn't like it.
And there's Battlefield 1 now, I think.
I don't know, to be honest. I canceled my EA membership. I was paying for it, but no one was playing with me.
Is anybody still in here?
I think so. I don't know. There's like 3 people. Zerify, I think, is here.
Is he the only one?
No clue. But we could still play when you're done downloading.
That's all right. Okay.
How much do you have
You know,
left?
I think this would be good. Nah,
No one is here.
At least, yeah, dude, you're here. That's all that matters, my friend.
Yep.
That's all that matters.
Alright, so
As long as you're
close the code for today. We'll continue tomorrow. Leave it.
And Chris is here.
Do you say damn it or something?
You are not Arya Stark. Get out of here,
What are you talking about?
Crystal.
What did she say?
She said, "I am no one."
You are not.
Or not of the no-face god, or whatever the hell he is. I don't know, but dude, I think we should do a podcast thing.
Fuck podcast, dude. Just jump on the stream when I'm done, like, actually
Yeah, but
doing
I don't want to be like politically correct.
Okay, yeah.
I don't want to get you messed up at that.
It's like, it's fine. Like, as long as you don't say the N-word or, like, cuss too hard. I don't know. There's certain words.
I cuss a lot, man.
Yeah, I mean, me too. Me too.
I don't mean it. I don't do it on purpose either. I just do it because
Well, I try
that's
it.
the only way.
I try and say it in a funny way so that the algorithm doesn't pick it up. Because it's not people who are watching my stream, obviously. It's an algorithm that when it hears a word.
Hey, Mike, hear me out. Chris is back. He might be interested in something like me, you, and him just talking about bullshit. You know what I'm saying?
But where do we post it?
We'll make one.
Yeah,
YouTube.
but
Joe Rogan does it.
But won't it just get demonetized?
No, Joe Rogan does it.
I mean, we could try, sure. I don't know. I don't. I have to find a way where I could do it and commit to it without giving too much time. Because
You're not really giving too much time though, because you're spending time on your stream. You do it while you're streaming.
Well, not really, because then
Shit, you can.
yeah.
I'll be right back. Give me 1 second.
Alright, alright. I'm gonna open the game for now. Let's see if this game is up to par. Visual Studio 2010. Oh no. Alright guys, let's see what happens. Alright, so there's a problem already. As you can see on the stream, it's in the top corner. And that's a big no-no. We're gonna do game capture. Setting up the stream. Let's see, is it working? There we go. And if we go back and get rid of shit, duplicate game, get rid of display capture. Alright, I think we're good. Let's see. Sensitivity is a bit off. Let's fix it. Oh my god, there's no settings to work with. Pocket just gave us the most alpha game we can find. Easy. Alright, let's give it a try. Let's see what happens. I need to find a game that we can all play on stream together, other than like marbles on stream. Alright, holy shit, just options, sounds, gameplay. Okay, so I'm stuck. Oh wait, no, graphics settings, resolution. Can I throw it in 4K? I can. Can I throw it in, oh shit. Oh no, it's gonna break. Come on. Hello?
Hello.
Hey, I'm waiting for you in the game.
Huh?
The game is open. I'm waiting for you.
What game?
Oh.
Oh, my
Well-
subsistence.
How far are you to being ready?
Got 5 minutes.
Okay, so I'll play without you for now.
Here, hear me out.
I'm trying to understand. Ooh, I have a pistol.
People.
I see.
There's
Oh my
4
god, I see a
people.
deer.
Oh my Lanta. There's 4 people in the lounge right now. Do we just go chill with them? See what
No,
they gotta say?
Some people are a bit annoying to listen in voice chat, to be honest.
What?
Some people get pretty annoying in voice chat, and I don't want to. I don't want to be
Well,
that
then
guy.
that's. Well then. Well, fuck it.
Let's just chill us two, dude.
Whatever.
But you cut out.
So you're cutting out my as well.
Okay,
maybe
it's
just
my side.
internet.
It's no, it's definitely me because I had a game and I was tabbing in and out.
All right, I'll be right back.
Alright, so game runs like shit if you put it in windowed mode. Sorry, stream. I have to figure these things out before we play. Oh no, it's still acting like shit. Oh my god. What the hell? Take all. That was aggressive. I didn't think he'd run at me like that. Why don't you run away from the gun? Wash your hands to prevent infection. Okay. Okay, let's go wash my hands. My god, the DPI is so bad. Alright. I need to fix the DPI. It is so bad. Razor Synapse. Oh my god, please. Chill. Mike, let me in the channel. Oh. You left? Oh, you went to go talk to them and then you came back? Hello?
Hi.
Wait, what happened? You went to go talk to them and then you came back?
Yeah, I told you I was, but I couldn't come back.
Oh, shit. I didn't hear you, so that's why. Alright.
It's okay.
So a wolf, I shot at a wolf, nothing happened, and then he ran at me, and I had to use all my bullets to kill him.
Noob.
And now I'm kind of fucked.
No, you're not.
Alright, well, I got wood. Can I make... I need to start
I got
building.
a minute and 30 seconds left. Yeah.
No worries, I'm just investigating. Scrap metal, okay. Ooh, what's this? Is it bullets? Uh-huh. I like that animation, even though it doesn't make sense. He like pulls the rack back on his pistol, but then pushes the pistol forward. It's really awkward. Just watch the stream, dude.
Dude, I can't while I'm downloading shit.
Oh, that's
It's
true,
just
that's true.
Doesn't work that way.
That's true. Alright, how do
I'm
we
surprised I can talk to you.
build?
Yeah, 40
Alright,
seconds.
so we go here and we click, let's say, on wooden planks, craft. And now, oh, it takes time. Okay, I see. like the animation, even though it doesn't make sense. Yeah, I said that. Alright, so we got some wooden planks. What can we build? Is there like a mini house we could build?
All right, 3, 2, 1.
Wood foundation.
Dunzo.
Oh, dude, this is gonna be so much fun.
I'm getting in here, boys.
Alright, this is gonna be so much fun. I'm gonna leave. Save and exit. This is gonna be stream is gonna fucking love this. Like, if you guys love this, give the stream a like. Help me make money.
I'm pretty sure all the people that are in here have already liked this video.
I haven't asked though once, so I gotta ask.
I tried doing it, man. Here, I'll get you another one.
Thanks, mate.
Here. Got an idea.
Oh wait, I fucking closed the game by accident.
Ah!
No, Pocket. Can you stop posting my goddamn channel?
No, why?
Because it feels so scummy.
No, it's not. It's fine.
Okay, but you didn't even post it in daily chat. Just saying.
Yeah, I did.
Mm-mm.
Oh, I posted in voice note mic. Alright.
It's cool. No, fuck. It's so embarrassing seeing my face there.
Turn that master volume down, baby. Alright.
Oh wait, the stream bugged out. Why didn't you guys tell me?
I wish I could see, like...
See what?
Like, chat. And
Don't you have
not.
2 monitors?
I do. Well, I do. But
Oh, you mean you? Oh yeah, you can. 3 dots on the chat. See how it says top chat, and then there's 3 dots.
Pop out chat. Oh,
Pop out chat.
Boy!
And you get a little tiny little window, and you can shove it in the corner.
I
I'm just listening.
Got it.
All good, Xerify, because you still count as a viewer. Thanks for being here. Alright, we should make my character until Pocket gets here. Oh, I can only choose...
I'm in. I'm just waiting for you to start one.
Okay, friends list, refreshing.
No, yeah.
Friend hosting must be in your Steam list. Wait, oh, I can host. Okay. Profile name, let's call this Mike's, or Devin's, Wonderland. Let's go easy or hard?
Let's just go easy till we get the hang of
Okay,
it.
fair enough. With hunters enabled or disabled?
Hunters.
I say disabled.
I
don't know.
Yeah. It's
I
fine.
think we're gonna have a hard time just with the hunting for a bit.
It's no. Okay. Yeah. Go ahead. Do whatever you.
Password is Devin. Launch new game. Okay, so
Can you invite me?
no, when you go
Yeah. It says co-op and it says friends playing. It says 0.
wait,
And
it's still
pairing
starting.
Online. Are you
Oh,
playing online?
maybe not. I'm gonna check.
No, I'm not even appearing online. There we go.
No, I'm offline. Online.
Then.
Alright, fuck, get in here. Dude, this game is written in like 2010 Visual Studio. And it's 32-bit.
Honestly, dude, it's one dude.
I know. I'm just saying like goddamn. It does,
But
honestly,
once
the
you get the
graphics aren't
mechanics
that
of it-
bad.
Once you get the oh, there it is.
Right.
Jordan.
So you're gonna spawn on me? Is
What's
there a
the
map?
password?
Devin. No capitals.
Okay, I'm joining in. This game's pretty fun.
Hey, I paid for it already, so oh, Pocket entered the game. Okay. So we need to meet up, I'm guessing? But there's no map.
Nope.
Oh, it says, okay, wait. Look in a certain direction and we'll just both go that direction. You see on the top right? Top left? West, southwest, south, whatever.
I meant not. No, that's not gonna work.
I don't know.
Okay, what do you see around you?
Big rocks. Like big.
Big rocks. Okay, okay. So I think I know. All right.
This is dumb, dude. Why didn't let us spawn together?
But that's, okay. No, that's. All right. Fuck you. Come on. I'm dead.
How?
I got killed by a level 2 wolf.
Oh, I see a wolf. Fuck. Yeah, they're assholes.
Alright, let's pass to a spot. Okay.
They walk like they're dumb. One of them is sitting next to a crate. Come on, you bitch. Oh.
Okay. So we need to find each other and then establish where we're going to have a base at.
Is it really
That's
no
just
map? So
Nope.
dumb.
You can make one. Dude, what do you mean it's dumb?
Wait, you can make
That's
one? You can make one?
survival, baby. Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna make one then. How do I make one?
I don't know.
Oh, okay, well I need to make a bow. I need sticks and cordage. How do you get cordage? What is it? Fibers? Okay, how do you get fibers? Alright, wolf is starting to walk away, I think. I don't know, it's not worth it.
Alright, so walk southwest.
Oh my god, dude, there's so many wolves.
Walk southwest. And you'll see where there should be a lake somewhere.
Alright, so if I go southwest, I'm going up a hill. Are you on a hill?
I'm at a lake.
Okay, so it's probably on the other side of this hill. Dude, I'm terrified to get attacked by a wolf right now.
You're good.
You say that, but you don't know that.
Yeah, you're fine. I promise.
That's just a lie. I refuse.
I just went back to where I died. Wolf is gone. He's happy with what he did.
I need some fibers. Oh my god, that's a bear. That is a bear. No. Oh, a package.
You gotta be somewhere close.
Oh, I got some arrows and shotgun shells. Alright. Oh, a chicken. Come here, chicken. Come here, buddy. Oh, he's so fucking fast. Holy shit.
So if you just go southwest,
Yeah, I'm going.
or I guess south.
I wonder what people in the stream are thinking right now listening to us play this. Either they're funny, either they're laughing their asses off, or they're just cringing.
See, let me pull it.
Alright, I'm safe for now.
No one's really saying anything.
No, yeah, I have it open. Nothing. Alright, I'm walking southwest. What if I'm going the wrong way southwest? Like, what if you're behind me? Wait,
I
no.
don't know if you can be.
Because your southwest might be my northeast.
Yeah, northeast. Yeah, but
I don't know. I'm going down a hill. Let's see what happens.
if you see a body of water, let me know.
Okay. I wish there was like a guide like you would get in Minecraft for this game.
Nope, this is strictly survival.
Oh
okay?
shit, a wolf. He's smelling in the air. What the fuck? Is he smelling for me? Level 1 wolf. Oh, I hear him growling. What the hell? Oh, he's looking for me. I'm so scared.
Corded. How do I make corded?
I need fibers, dude.
Get that. Oh, you get it from plants. That's right.
Wait, do you have a guide in there?
No, I've played this game.
What? Were you talking about fiber?
Yeah.
What kind of plants?
They're around.
You didn't find out, baby. Aren't you excited to do it? No.
Do you use your hands to get the fibers, or do you use your X?
What?
Do you use your hand, or the fibers, the X to get the
Oh.
fibers? Hey, dude, there's another mountain here, a snowy mountain. Do you see a snowy mountain? Northeast?
I'm dead.
Oh my
I
god.
died.
Okay, do you see a snowy mountain northeast?
Let's see. If you're seeing this, why is it so hard to meet up with people?
That's what I said.
Let's just find each other. Okay, this is what we need to do.
Okay, look for a snowy mountain. Just look around.
Northeast.
Oh, what the
Snowy
hell is
mountain
this?
Northeast. Okay, so you got to be in front of me because I see a snowy mountain northeast of me.
Okay, I'm going to the tippy top of the snowy mountain. Oh fuck,
You'll
oh
die.
fuck. There's a fucking tiger roaring here.
Yeah, you'll die.
No. He doesn't see me. Dude, that scared the shit out of me. The sounds.
Is there a body of water around you?
Oh shit, he's coming to kill me. He's coming to kill me. Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you. No. Oh my god, he grabbed my neck. And he's just squeezing me, and I'm bleeding.
No, you're dead.
What the hell?
It's alright. We'll figure this out.
Oh, I see a body of water.
Oh my god, you do?
I see it. Can we meet there?
So I know you're
Okay, but there's a bear. Oh fuck, there's a bear. And I just broke a
know
leg.
that.
I'm walking super slow. I broke my leg. Fuck.
How'd you do that?
I fell off a tiny mountain.
It's hard, dude. It's hard. Just think of.
It wouldn't be as hard if we were together. Because then we can enjoy it together. Oh my god, the bear.
It's alright. Stay alive.
I can't. I have a broken leg. I feel like I should just die. I should probably just die. So I respawn with a healthy body. Yeah, I'm gonna die quick. Yo, bear. Come here, bitch. I respawned. Oh, I'm next to the edge of the map. Because there's a fence here, so I'm guessing it's the edge of the map.
Yeah. Dead. Okay. So.
Found a lot of good
Neat.
shit though right away on spawn. So we have a couple of choices. We could just walk along the fence and meet up.
I don't want to do that. It's huge.
Then how the fuck do we meet up, dude?
Do you see where your skull is?
I see two of them.
Okay.
Oh, yeah, yeah, I
that's
see where it
I
is.
died.
No, that's where I died.
Okay, but you died almost the same exact place that I did.
Oh, the one with the water?
God damn it. And I'm dead.
Okay, dude, this is way too complicated.
Hang on. Hang on.
I think we're just gonna have to play ourselves, get weapons, and then we can fight off any animal.
I'm gonna make it to you.
Maybe can you Google a bit, like see if there's tricks and shit. Some guide maybe. Wait, you left the game? What?
No.
You good?
Yeah, I'm gonna join a different. I'm just joining again to see if I spawn in a different location.
Okay.
And I do. I see you. I see you running.
Where are you?
Well, right now I'm underneath the map. Oh.
So there's a bear, but he has a couple packages near him.
You remember that? You remember that body of water?
Yeah, are you there?
Yeah, I got to it.
Oh my god, I almost broke a leg again.
Just watch your surroundings.
I'm bleeding out. I'm gonna die, I think. Why the fuck am I bleeding out, dude? I wouldn't care for any of this if I was with you. But I'm not, and it's killing the game. Ooh, a crate. Cool.
Fuck it.
Hey dude, I'm bleeding out uncontrollably. Let's see if I can do something about it.
You got a bandage?
I do, actually. How do I use it? Manage
Yeah,
yourself.
tab.
Yeah, I got it. I fixed it. Okay. I'm still a one hit though to any animal.
Alright,
Yeah, so this is like this is a lot like Scum.
If we get together, then we can just build a fort real quick.
Yeah, but that's the thing. Okay, so
Getting together.
if we get together and one of us dies, are we totally fucked? Okay, there's another body of water here. I'm guessing there's a lot of them.
Damn it! Wow.
Okay, this one's
He's
really
funny.
small though. Oh, you press V for third person. Yeah, so this body of water is tiny. Is there alligators?
I don't think so. No. There's nothing in the water. I can tell you.
Whoa. Going underwater is freaky. Oh, it counts that I'm wet now, so I'm walking differently. Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. There's a wolf. I'm terrified, dude.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna go Google a bit, because this is a bit stupid that we can't just...
I'm sure there's probably server commands.
Let's figure that out. Because there's no point in wasting our precious time right now.
Hush.
So I'm just spamming keys right now, and... Controls...
Yeah, it probably looks pretty cool on your computer.
What was that?
Yeah, it probably looks pretty cool on your computer.
I'm only playing it at 1440. But yeah, it looks decent. Okay, so what's this game called again?
Subsistence.
Subsistence
I think I know. Yeah. so
Finding-
I'm by the.
fiber, and then subsistence finding friends. Can't find my co-op partner. Okay. Okay, so it says the best way is to use the sun position and landmarks to orientate to find each other. Also, if one player manages to build a base command unit, they can add their friend to the base player list, then their friend will see a beacon guide to help them to the base. Oh shit.
Alright.
Okay.
Alright, I got you, dog.
You're gonna start building while I look for you? Wait, let's orientate from the sun. Okay, this is getting interesting. This might be able to save the night. Oh shit, I forgot to read the other thing though. 1 second. Damn it. Finding fiber. It spawns everywhere. I don't know if people can find it everywhere. Let's see. Okay, so it looks like a little bonsai tree, but a bit longer.
Yeah.
Okay. That I could do this. If I make a bow, dude, it's GG for all these fucking animals. I'm killing all of them. But for now, I'm getting owned. There's literally a wolf right here. I wonder if they could run up the rock. They're really angry. Okay, don't hurt yourself, please.
Fuck, I need nails.
Alright, stream, I need your help. We need to look for the bonsai looking tree. Is this it? I think this is it. Yes. There's a couple more here. Okay, let's camp here for a sec. Or no, you know what? Let's get on the rock.
I don't know what to do.
So
I can't
okay, so
do
this is
without...
go in your toolkit. I'll help you. Give me a sec. Give me a sec. I'm in a dangerous spot. Just stand by.
Yeah, but I need a fuck ton of nails.
Oh,
To do that, I'd have to go out and get them.
yeah. You got to run around and find boxes. Actually, I think
Yeah,
I have nails. How
I-
many nails do you need? I might
Yeah,
just be able to build it myself.
All you need is a foundation and a wall, and you can build a beacon, and I can find you.
Okay, wait. 1 second. Base command unit. You need 4 wooden planks, 4 electrical components, and scrap metal. I can make it. I think I can make it. I need to keep looking for shit, but I think I can make it.
I'm just getting wood so we can...
I think you should focus on making a weapon so you don't die. But that's just my opinion. What do you think?
So I don't have...
I hate how many animals are here, dude. That's like killing the game right now. I want to look at the floor, but I can't because there's so many fucking things to look out for. I wonder if you're super quiet while they just walk by. Like, are they always willing to attack? You know what I mean?
There's a certain distance.
Yeah, but if you're within a distance but you're calm, will they just like look at you, growl, and
they'll
ignore?
attack.
Yeah,
No.
that's stupid. Fuck, another one, dude. They're everywhere. I really can't pay attention to anything because I'm so focused on not getting eaten. Another, oh my god, dude, this is triggering. Alright, so we should be smart and look at the sun and orient ourselves. What direction is the sun for you? For me, it is west.
I'm straight up.
No, oh, you mean like literally on top of you?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm making my way. So you're on the other side of the snowy mountain then.
Yeah, I look up and it's straight up.
So is the
It's-
snowy
it's in
mountain
it's in that-
east for you? Hello?
No. Yeah,
It is?
but there's a fence.
Okay, which way is the snowy mountain for you?
East.
Okay, so I'm on the other side of that mountain. Because for me, the mountain is west. And the sun is nearly on top of me. So we're close. But far at the same time. I need to make some weapons so I don't die to a stupid thing again. Hunting bow. Sticks.
Tell you what, here's the best way to do it. Let me get to where southeast, or pointed east, towards the.
You're confusing me,
Way to
Pocket.
do it. It's not a good way to do it.
No, I need to get on the other side of that hill. That's it. But I can't till I build myself a weapon and protect myself. Because I mean, I could try, but I'm most likely going to get eaten again. I'll try, whatever. Let's see what happens. Problem is, you can't see them from far, because by the time they render in, they're...
You can hear him though.
I guess. I mean, I hear
Alright,
something, I
okay.
just don't know what it is. I think it's wind, but I don't know. Oh, I'm getting cold now, motherfucker. I'm losing a bunch of shit, dude. Alright, I'm running it. Please don't spawn a fucking lion, please. Oh my god, Pocket. Okay, so you could run up pretty much straight. Oh no, my energy is so low. And it's going down. I know my health is going down. Oh no.
Good shift.
I am, but... Oh no, I'm gonna die. Well... That was fun.
Did you die?
Nope, but I'm going to.
Alright. I'm on a mission to find nails. Fuck you.
I don't think I can go on the other side of this mountain, dude. I feel like this is the edge of the map. Oh, I died. Because I fell down the hill. Yeah.
It's fun if you get together. I promise. Once we get together, it'll be more fun.
Sorry,
However-
what was that, Pocket? I wasn't paying attention to you.
It'd be fun once we get, like, together.
Okay, but how long is it gonna take?
I know it.
Alright, back to looking at... Oh my god, the sun is far west now. Yeah.
Far west. Okay, see, this way. The north for me. North.
I'm north for you. I just need to play smart and go for loot boxes. Oh, another wolf. I'm leaving, wolf. Relax. Go away. Go away.
I am playing with him, Crystal. I just can't find him.
We're having a hard time, Crystal. You want to join us?
We need you in here to direct us towards the.
We need
path of
more.
glory.
We need more players. It's a $17 game. Probably not worth it, but at least you burn the boat with us.
It's worth it once we start playing.
For sure.
Okay?
She says Marco. Problem is there's these fucking animals, and they are so aggressive. They barely warn you, and they have a health bar that pops up way too late. Okay, I'm on the edge of the map. I'm literally on the other side of the map right now from you.
What do you see?
I see the edge of the map, southeast, and now I'm trying to go west to get to you. Is it getting nighttime now?
Yeah.
Oh no, dude. I don't want to play this now. I'll think about it, still trying to debug. Damn.
You see like rocks that are looks like they're standing straight up?
Huh?
There should be 2 rocks that are standing straight up.
In front of me?
No. Where I'm at.
I'm on the bottom of a hill. And you are on the other side of this hill. And there's a couple bears and shit, so I'm trying to make my way. I think I'm gonna have to camp on a rock for the night. What is this, a fucking rabbit?
Bed soon.
Huh?
So I'm gonna have to go to bed soon.
Oh god.
Why is this shadow?
Another mountain lion, dude.
I don't know where you're running into all this shit.
In the
I don't
snowy
really
mountains. No, another fucking. I'm in the snow again. I'm gonna die.
Don't go into the snow.
I didn't know there was snow. Oh my god, land.
Alright, so we're just gonna.
I'm trying to run out the snow as fast as I can so I don't die. But I need to find. But you left? Why?
I gotta go to bed.
Oh, right now?
Yeah.
I thought you said soon. Not right now.
I thought we were gonna find each other, but I don't think it's gonna happen. Alright, so hear me out. Tomorrow, we'll come back,
Alright.
find each other, we'll start this adventure. And it'll be fun once we get together. And once we get like a base at least
Yeah.
settled. Because then we know where the fuck we're at.
So everyone in the forums are saying, that you have to use landmarks and the sun, and that will take you, if you use it right, about 5 minutes. I doubt that.
They
I don't know.
won't.
We'll see. I think it's possible. I think the animals are fucking us over, to be honest.
I say we try tomorrow. Because I'm definitely going to go to bed.
All right. I'll probably go to bed too.
I'll be up at like 3 a.m. So.
All right. So what time tomorrow night? Same time, about 7, 8?
Sure. Yeah.
Okay.
I'll be here.
All right. I'm gonna close the stream at the same time. All right. See you, Pocket.
Bye.
All right, stream. You heard it from the Pocket himself. I'm gonna end it here. Thanks for being here, everyone. If you didn't already, you can like the stream. And yeah, I'll be back on tomorrow. We'll do some code for the first like 30 minutes, and then we'll do the game and see where that goes.